Emo anybody go me one match.
I want to say me and Yami one of course. Boys and say was she nyum rough for kroma na. Over do be searching so as our boys kuria na gina go be yet. Someone say la Yami one. Very true.
Doctors ni you never be brain pemu. No cry pemu ni ade. Never be brain how ye.
So beans in the protein.
Kwa me ene emranti be brain pampa mu repa. Abra wonyiye bi de adwene neema bebre na ekoso Ghana for me say nuani ye die no de na ye man ibo wa kotodwe de na hereditary ofie oti ta na ma we neema ye say mutumi hwem na mo kyerɛ bia wapapa mu pa udi vegetables bebre betima ye say na beans ne gari a adwumefo ne mason fo ne carpenter fo ne mobrofo die na fra je say mo hyɛ nyem na nyem no to obi ani beans a ontimi hyɛ nyem
o just said once a chances of hyɛ nyem no. Oh, okay. And I was rough impregnate.
Uncle, no, maybe I had no me and say, watch my dear, Doctor cancer, dear, Doctor
Pobozu.
Oh, no, ye, no one has said no more. Master now say, as I come in, you eh?
But me, yeah, because it's in as it was in this new rough. Where's the governor to
Mana in the hall, and Sabranches will be Okoya. Papa will be Okoya. Bearman and commander one can Indomine, most of the computer and a laptop. Any idea? Oh, we do why will she go and be doing that? A branch across her and entity is about time and penny for me a binding out of a boom. Now, I'm preferred to any admin, so Yama Martini maybe I say. And yes, idea some of these things will come up. When you on an then I was on you.
Obashanyum rough.
Anyway, I'll say Muslim. What's going on?
Go back, so no casa.
And the place is to go back.
So go back. Say, association.
Chama players ni be Ghana had the players.
Obo ho ni sa ho chiro oye adia
yes.
And obo ho bi sa kasa no
players ni be.
But this boys nso afa why say ho chiro nti oto na Gary no or the Frabins na no dey see ewiem.
Oh, serious.
Say tu ebetu na etu no di wi say nsu na obedi di bi maje udi na no pa obedi di bi abebe anu jofan nti no I would see ewiem say secondary school nya was ya yemfa ngubo mu so yinu ma no pantry bowl na ya mix Gary na yinu beans ni wa na heaping say na ye dey see ewiem kakra ti anu tin say na say ba no obedi aye
What's happening in your area of sports?
Chawo, Ghana Premier League, match week 15 matches. Dodo na get to me course so now such an interesting, matches at the course. So match week 15. Theater of Dreams na Dreams FC any Adriana, but Dreams FC and Timanfa. Etnefi Lusu to Adriana Stars. Won A League leaders and now.
Najiba Badu team with you for Professor. And I some sit on friends say Theater of Dreams. Daudi Omaji. Somebody
and Kangano Obadiana just Ubi Ababiade. Obaja
operation.
Yes, but Nancy the Amfa. And you know,
and Ratimo Nana Baby.
Ketamba, but the president Edema, Dreams FC and a chairman, Amini Shadow. No, na.
And I'm D21.
1-0. Na chamo. Keta Cheresa Mpana Abana also. Cheresa Abana also. She boy see Casa. What did the ma? Acherampa.
Yeah, place na na.
Any place. Say I want to chairman echi.
On by Parkinson.
Hey. Casa what did them near the news Ampa na Abana also. The enchada yama wa call kata ibe we are kura for drive we are kura saloon ka ibi ntino ochire sampa ono gusu oye FA president na ba na wo so
do amoni ye bi na emboa chairman no kura and assistant referee too na supporter to bo ahwe na mfe pa
aye hwan supporter
dreams
supporter
ahwe na mfe
oto bo referee na mfe ama referee ni bo shey.
Oh, I can say.
And Chemo, I
don't know. VIP,
Tokwa gidi.
Namunya footages.
From where we are sitting,
video kakra.
Because of safety, today I'm better because
me video kakra me be mazigi na.
They are But Chamo and Sweni because
now match commissioner and Ombetro.
I think the
Ombetro.
Because it be not referee assistant line to the best of the game ni
of our Bonokora Coma match commissioner.
Ombetro reporting. Decision will take and your decision abekasi bibia sebi in case we deserve but bibia ese kofa sad no a player dive in a box because we're desperate so better one can just a bibia referee beji etia won't be an say what you did but I don't think say decision be there was anka it will make ko do say extent sorry to Obabo line 2 and Dreams FC yenim said the owner Keto Kreku honor FA president over and over again Obabe condemn to trust some koso our young football stadium and as a young stadium ahoro no if the owner and as a FA president need team to me bo home game now or yes I mean you need say sefata condemn that particular situation now so was the assistant line too supporters be to me to at the ball try to attack because who be so a fence now there or not just the referee
Dreams
supporters
in try and the police now
Krubens neti
Dreams or Accra Nima
Tono Fibe Bono
this will be to Accra
to Yanoko
Uboyano
the Uhine and Assembly members they must act as fast as possible.
And the most interesting thing is that you see natives of the Ufono supporting this act
because they think say the FC
yes,
and we know and then about the Germany they think it's their home team. So the authority the who should be talking to them say look over far your fault no any your space at the inside your way. Talk to your players and then talk to your supporters. Free name about and then also involve the police in some of these things because every year Kwame or that one will be in the news for the wrong reason.
Jaman, supporters na yes no and you need my phone. The one and yes.
Anytime I say Krubian Penny Womb, they must talk to the team runners or the team managers, handlers, and also talk to their people. And they have to involve the police at this point. Because only they can be banned.
I know they.
Now, Nemudi Jimani na Sebi, more on football, set your boy Roma. The we or the who don't say Timo Ama, Sebi, more football Chamosi, Mufruma, winning football. What does he? It's a way to address him, Nasi Abanema. The only time because they be a cat, be a president, be a women run away through now, Marcus Wabo, but I don't think that is to be the good interest of the game. What does he? And then a buy, young can say a cropon, young can say a Kugua, you can the woo park when he said the wood be caught. And from moment we are sitting for the wrong reasons. What does it? That's what we are trying to avoid in this regard.
Yes, and Chairman, one thing I'm going to make Ghana Police Service won't take this thing very serious. Chairman, who do young say the over do baby boys have it now one we in the our stadium was another baby at media stand.
Media stand.
What be Jaffa?
And there.
And I one
what she will see if I
so. As someone walking and say we are commenting one man Kasa mobile I was just looking at them because I felt Kasa na what say
GFM penin bet me so I say ABA. I don't know there was this maybe a more ball match or baby don't call neutral ground. That means the boys in the best side also meet me here in free Okami. Now we are getting up police for
Omo na park and also even baby ya tena kwa media stand no one kwa mu betwam fa ho so store
na kwa for no mu we kete
oh jamai da bia o tam bia match wo ho bia omo ba media stand wa no mo pe e wa no betena e be shi win no guye so
tobre
o ba ndai
no
o to mi so mbuye wa no nko kan bebre we was say o ma ye kro mo de na mo o me ye we but ni na enye say Dreams FC impanyimfo any police for the camp no mo hwe ekoso impanyimfo ni wo omuhu but that because of say omo support to omunti omo so nka
na ye omo ebe no mo win wi a be omo so time abo to ball papa efi
it is an number
na very soon enye papa na wo efi ho ye presenter match official be ka so ma me officiate team omo because they both near finish which na bo wani pan wani apai
ya dey ta akoso how the wa
ma me ka sem cho the
on your president no na omko
emrante ne the ufo na so baby na ba ho
the boys
One was smoking.
The boys.
The boys.
The wood there, Madam Fibo, Charlie, the Uno one.
Chairman of form so.
Number 3. Oh,
Chairman and stadium will be.
But I think the baby, let's be fair to him.
I think I started and he came, let me land.
Chairman,
wait a minute. Somebody might say, yes, or no, we need to
be
So I want to make a point. Madam Fibo, Charlie, I will talk to him, say you should talk to his boys. And remember, money idea, and yet a acquaintance also. We be come on, and I'm saying you'd be sure, but where I hope you have a ball, a tickle name, the theatre of dream near corner say, we know Kakawa, and you're fine. I think so, your opinion leader or your youth leader, so and Tishali, solution to Susibia, who can't be an answer.
I tell Mrs. Sue, and after the game, maybe the didn't come after game, no. Baby, Nippana or Tenno at all born ball assistant referee, naturally no area.
Is it no chrome? They say,
we have few minutes.
Nyabotre.
Tell my new CEO, Timano and see whom maybe American could. Obi can say, Nyamuye Nenye, or no catcher, Nippana or Kansa Nyamoyeno, and Yen say, Watu.
Okay. You heard it say, Onipana Yen soon the band associate Onitrim. Come here, this year, or I'm having a minimum of a woman is made also a woman is so. Of my channel, Siwa. I feel a woman is not a Kwame, there be a woman is so. And you can be featured and say, hey, Tiana, be who has in the Panatus or 2 hours. Yes, one got a man 2 years, man, I'm so 2 over to be. I don't know what that's all we should Kutupa, Nyabotre. And to be a when the year course Libya, football, the old that former and the beer in the heat of the game, say, okay. Or can say condemnable. We agree with you on that one. Say, be no opinion leader.
No coffee, Jamai.
Jaman, I think
now what's the one I know moment?
That one I'm a grow.
I think that we need to be fair to say now. Can be in the heat of the game now? Obia air poised. Obia best dreams. Issue and I said decision. Kitu Obia about so probably also a top fan of the club. No, so let me finish. I know a top fan of the club. I know say Team Dreams FC then Etel can Internebia. We got to but I think after the game no. Maybe after the game, probably he will talk to the people and advise them, advise them on that.
We agree. We are saying it's about time he act as a leader, as a youth leader.
Yeah.
You see, as I said, we be count, we be yaumo, or best you want to sort of resist. Those ones are there, but this is a football game.
Yeah.
And any man also are. Yeah, boy, minimum be the Charlie.
Yes.
And for the good reasons, I want him to stand up and sort of talk to the people, let them understand. Say, side way there, and you do papa and CG. I walk say it is Sanomatin, and you won't be a walk by now.
As some I can say, and that will be the same thing as Chereno. As some I walk here, will be the same thing. Or can your pet Nipano? No, Casado of one young so.
And I'm going to say, or you youth leader.
Now, who can you be
youth leader? It's about time we ask him, say, Ebeya, on your friend say, on your Juma say youth leader. Now, Mabono more, focus on certain things.
I think so.
I think they try to do things, but you're youth leader, you don't condemn at once like that. Definitely, Ebia, Kukuamuno. But Nipamundi, obey Momo. It has things on the score. Charlie, and a pay Yamawachi, as I say, Hena, Uyufono, Mabuno, Babomano, and Omakasa. Nani Mebo, I say, we I can say, Sebio, a minute no more, and I mean to me, should be beating me a shit, but Pete Musano, not as a Dimbi Batamo say, Yufno, or more, no more, no more, Mumra, and I be, I don't think it's a good thing, but you better say, Bianya Kama. Aha.
Alcoma Radio 97.1. It's Station Radio Man Kenya. Alcoma Radio 97.1. Hey. Alcoma Radio 97.1.
Right, Okuman 97.1 and Anopa, Yasin Atenasi, Okuman Kasa, Morning Sports, and Anopensono, Yarin Stemnina, Baguri Munsama, Kochi, Eko Bremai, Anopenso, Yade Bro, if you are Offensive and Instem, Yadin Abeba, football, tennis, and offensive basketball, other sporting disciplines, and Anopa, Yansi Atenasi, Edimun Comunina, but Johnny live on Facebook, Okuman Radio 97.1, Okuman Radio 97.1 on Facebook, while I keep paging, what's say, now Fins so adwen kyerɛ nyina no onso no watumi ere ato abrepam na Fins so chairman Tanasia wakenkan enso no ere ama YouTube nso no Okuman Radio 97.1 na onso no kwa ubenya dwumadi na hwere live na onso no watumi enjoy papa anopay yere nsam no ebro no medin Kelvin Amponsa edi miniminia
Pasolo Paradise.
Jane Anna Pensi Atanasia and Semina Yanson Yadi Ebro Jumedi no Sentempa, Ebesa Ensono Eddie Free Ghana Premier League Bets Power Premier League Mo Match Week 15 and matches Dodona and Sono Etme to Dra Yen Chena Finson Yemfa results no and fan to jump and fan ma Diauko Piemo and Sono Ewan Sotraman Po Bukurman Omuchi Brekum Chelsea the Bibris and Ramfa and Sotraman Epo Mekam Yunum Ama Brekum Chelsea Etimu Bako Abrantia ni din enso no eye Kevin Damfo ebogo etumi edema enso tomana omonso no eti Brekum Chelsea ebo mekamienu momuti mu baako Abrantia Mezak efiriye ekoyo ankoyo no so no eyini de enso no de efirim eti kan baako edema Brekum Chelsea boboko no kopiemu e Samara Boy dia Samatex boboko no enso ne Tamale City eri boyni after 90 minutes no obia entumi amfa ball amfanto no nyonko atena mu 0-0 ana sama chano eko wieye bechem nana fosuji agbo park no tie bechem United 6 Real Tamale United 2 Abrantia ni din enso no ere Isaac Nyako ebogo ana Finso no Clinton Yodu ebogo so ni Brace Abrantia onya man of the match the hero of the day no Abrantia ni din ere Hafiz Konkoni ebogo so no miensa hat-trick ana no so nya etumere ma bechem United a abro mote Real Tamale United RTU ese ne kantia ama omuti mu mienu ukopie awo dew Theater of Dreams Dreams FC was still believe etna fie yan twahan Amaduana Stars the Ocha Boys ebe ball mekaba kwa Amonsono entumi anti Abrantia ni din at Steven Anochi Bedu 6th minute fantastic free kick and so that can etumi ade to atrema Dreams FC etna fie Amaduana Stars ebe ball mekaba kwa Amonsono entumi anti Kotoku Royals ene asemdaba nanso no answer na baba Kotoku so nizigi twan so beka Kotoku de nanso Kimfaisa etna fie ewo Kumasi Papa Yara Sports Stadium ama mediama osiminia ebe che no pone kamiensa ama Kimfaisa etimu mienum Abrantia ni de Vincent Atinga ebogo sanso na kwesido nsu etuma bogo etimi edema mediama boboko na mo chicken Faisa esa me kamiensa ma mo timu mienu ankran ti Accra Sports Stadium the Nations Wembley Heart to Folk enso etna fie enso ni Lagos Cities etumi apo 0-0 obia amfa ball amfa Antonio Nyonko atinem na akopimo Cape Coast Sports Stadium dia odan Kotoku Royals enso etumi etna fie eche Bibiani Gold Stars etumi pone kanu mako miensa ama Gold Stars enso etimu mienu Andy Francis Kumi epo goals ni mienu enso etumi edema eye odan Kotoku Royals Abrantia ni din Abednego Tete oba en so far obo 2 matches the ama Bibiani Gold Stars wase 3 goals ni ama akoye ede ama eye Abrantia ni din Abednego Tete ntine zigi enra mi pie mu ana ezi ni age pa odan Kotoku Royals etumi a record omo 3rd victory e was season ma and also some yari epa and Ghana Premier League matches mienu and a bit to channel so 3 p.m. Ghana time no ukopiemu awa ina se Kampaka Carolina United and a Krobia Kumasi Asante Koroko and a bepo and so no awa channel so set match at 3 p.m. and also to and crying the Nations Wembley Accra Sports Stadium no Accra Lions and so any Olida Day Olimasi Olin Konton Console Great Olympics and also a bepo we a Bet Power Premier League and also some yet to me area but so far go king chat in the Senate here Ghana Premier League no more after match week 15 Abrantia ni din answer Mezak a free year or Brekum Chelsea what to me as 8 goals Samson Hafiz Konkoni Bechem United was 6 goals Issa Kuka Real Tamale United was 6 goals Steven Mukwala Oh, club ya Kumasi Asante Koroko. Wasa 6 goals na afin so no Bright J. Ya bona mrane se Mr. ASCNN. Ono so any Aduana Stars, formerly of Aduana Stars. Ono so no etimi ase 5 goals.
Enti Kotoku Royals 15 matches 10 points. Ene kito omo no da ase hwa ngaka Kromson be fro aba. Eno yezigiti mu no. Watu guso wuti Okuman Radio 97.1 anopa enso agudie mu nsam ena anopa ye de ema na won se ne TNT yem ko na fe ye hwe nsam ahoro a eno so eba after matches ahoro eno so etumi ato fam enso ewo GP na emu Real Tamale United head coach eye Baba Nuhu after so omuso okodi encho ewo bobo kwani den edi beche United for nsanu a eka nsia ebo mutemu emienu no game ne be na wieye na Baba Nuhu enso edi nsam ahoro di tugwa ekire ne nam so ema nkugo no ekura koba ye edi ema beche United bobo ko no.
Yes, thank you very much. I think we got it all wrong in the first half, and that is how can we consider those goals, because we came play in a certain way, and I think we didn't get the tactics right. And prior to that, we also had problems with our first start list, because about 3 of our key players are out because Nurdin Wima had a knock. He collapsed in the last game and he was rushed to the hospital. Steven Dankwa has been on suspension because he had 3 yellow cards. We have missed him out, and then we also made Namhan, who also got a red card in the last game. So I know it was going to be a very difficult game for us, but I just tried my best to see how we can manage. But the first half scoreline was a terrible scoreline for me as a person, as a coach. I've never had that in my coaching career in the team. I've never also had that scoreline against the team in the history of the club. And so I would say that the first half I got everything wrong as a coach, and my team also got everything wrong as a team.
Way any and summer coach Baba Nuhu, head coach Ediema Real Tamale United RTU Edia Tugwa as a first half no the tactics no the informations no onyani na wrong ni na nam so Emma team and the Beche United echomo eshomo ekensia Emma mo so etumi etimu emienu ewo ho na game no samba na wie no na coach Kasim Mengo ono aya head coach Edema Beche United enso edin sama horo ade Tugwa ekire okwan ya enam so Emma Beche enya 3 points no.
It's excellent. It's excellent. It's amazing. We did very, very well, especially in the first half. And the second half, when we came, complacency set in, we relaxed a little bit. People started scoring before we came up again. But it wasn't bad, but there's more room for improvement. Last time I granted the interview to you, I told you our major problem is the finishing. So now, most of our training sessions, we base it more the finishing than the other aspects of the game. So I think that's where we've seen the results coming. Oh, okay. Whenever you are living comfortably, you don't need to relax. It's football, anything can happen any moment, any time. So we've learned a lesson from it that when you are living comfortable, you have to approach the game as if there's no goals. We don't need to relax and say we are living comfortable.
Way any and summer head coach at the Emma Beche United coach Kasim Mingle and so at the to go after game no and also Ninsamo and no Clinton Duodu and then young man of the match our game no and so now Clinton Duodu said and ya Japa say Unkunimudiano and so to me a coye at the Emma Timani Dean and so at the Beche United.
Never can say give me the air cost at the way coaches and the Casa and dinner. Ya junior so say and question. You should to planning, no say a shame. Yeah, you should count and I want to because then I was hiring back in the I'm defending more. By a ball, 4 back and I'm winning Monty, and so come and meet me. And then even quite better what was also tough one, I'm going to feel. Tough one, I'll be away. I do say, yes, because goals also can't be. For me, team more emphasis 24 matches, 25 matches, one goal, and I'm it's one person, a better what was yeah, Messi, I shall 9 and 10.
Wey any and Summer Clinton do ono ye player Edma Bechem United Bobo kono ono so edi etu gwa na ne maame kasa ye Madam Josephine wa anase Safua ono so edi nsama huro edi tu gwa se ne ba Clinton do die empire nko na obo edi support ne ba no na eya mpempi obi se Nyankopon se ono pe nie ena wadi onipa bi sei aba beche no opiemu ewo mabusuam no o abo abusua ne pa.
Me said I bibia ebulusu bia abreni na empire coming go to Jenny Book by Sierra se akola nyansafo sei Nyankopon yi na beto abusua kituwa we sei mu na wahye no wama na dom a eburu adom so ni Israel eburu Israel so no de beto abusua we sei mu no sabi mabusua na ke yensem fata nanso ene akola we ama abusua na akọ ani mu agedin ama abusua obi o mbia yedai ekonka wa abusua no mu esan nyame adom ene ni Israel ode asdom akola na beto sa abusua kituwa we mu nti na ekọ WBA no me komi nkoto dwam se Nyankopon bompa ese pra anoden e ma akola ne so de mitimi yeboa no ane mpaibo adamfo me enko ha me enye sei adamfo se me enko ene bedroom bi no obetia ka se wo Clinton bo a wo boy first na nka wo nko se wo nye sei me enko ha me enko no malam we na papa we ho oya ade metunu fo se sa ade no fa no hu hye na abri bia no omman bibia anya mpaibo okono koto adwuma won kai rade obedra park ne so a ommo mpai ansa na wahye ni jesi no kra na obehye de abebobo no mpabo akro de bebobo no ommo mpai ansa no de run nan abri bia de me ne kasa ekafa no
Aya Nsama Clinton duodu emame Madam Josephine Safua enso de etugwa sa odempaye ena supporting ne ba Clinton duodu ena oguso ebobo ejinidin ewo Bechem United.
United na finsi enkopie mu ewo ye Dreams FC Bobo Koni mu onim se no ada amfa momo na Aduana Stars eba ebechi omo bome kabako a omenso no entumi antena. After the game, head coach Edma Aduana Stars Bobo Kono coach Pakwesi Fabian enso no etumi ekasa edefa game no achirima nani ache se ne no Aduana Stars enso no etumi aba abenya sankunim die no coach Pakwesi Fabian.
It was a very good game. It was more tactical, and at the end of the day, we carried the 3 points, and I'm very happy with that. Having dropped 2 points at home on Sunday and coming here to get the 3 points makes me very happy. Decided to
winning samane no coach Pakwesi Fabian enso no etumi edi to Joanna yebisa coach Uba no na adwen pen na say team say ne no against Dreams FC Uba be say anasa obe pre draw bi na wakọ Uba na approach ben ana ne oreba game ni mu
and then see and then make sure we don't concede and you know fortunately the goal came very early when we had a good free kick and then we defended very well. We played very well in the midfield. Only that the attack was a little bit not sharp, but then we were able to contain them. And then at the end of the day, we carried the day, and we are very, very happy. Very happy.
In summer, coach Pakwesi Fabian and sorry to Joanna coach me Mr. Azene Kunimdi no ba na ba Aduana Stars send your idea as a league mo be je anesa na say mo dia no mo fan match after match.
Look for an early goal. There are so many matches more to play. I think we have about 19 more matches to play, so we'll take a game at a time.
Winning summer coach Pakwesi Fabian also no etimi edi to Joanna ne kura mu no yebisa ne se coach Abrantia ne di enso de Richard Danso enra Abrantia enso tumi kotwai ekodi red card mu next game a mo bebo no ogisa Abrantia no omobi no abe affect team no.
Miss him because he played very well today. We are going to miss him, but what can we do? It has happened, so we'll find another person, and then fortunately, Minta and Co will be okay when we get back home, so they will take over, and then we'll see what happens.
And another.
We are going.
And then the Pakwesi Fabian head coach and so na my Aduana Stars and also no etimi edi to Joanna yanko piemo and so no Abrantia ni din and so no edi Alex Boache and also no player Sinakai and so no etimi edema Aduana Stars Bobo Kono and edi yebisa ne say Alex game na nkasa no no Abrantia ubobi game no uhu ni saying
Kutukuru about the same team. the same thing. Nadia Otaya, Nanya Mama,
so what's the aim of Ediana going to the next games?
Match after match, so prepare the next match. Who makes 3 points.
So you are ready to win the Ghana Premier League?
And because match after match.
And then in summer, I know Abrante Alex Boache player at my Diana Stars. And also no to me at the 2. John and Yanko Dream Service Bobo Kono Yanko Dinkomo. Captain at my Bobo Kono Abrante and the Abdul Jalilu. And yes, and that's Abdullah Jalilu. And a captain Dream Service Bobo Kono Bizaze. Jalilu, I know you know or the Amman Yabon Kokoti. Amfa my Dream Service. Adriana Stars. Ajama Kabako.
I want to ask you this. It's a big question, but I'm going to ask you. How did you guys approach today's game and consider that?
Wow. I myself and my boys, we came into the game to win the game. Unfortunately, we didn't get what we wanted. I'm very disappointed. Seriously, I'm very disappointed. Me, myself, and my guys, we are very, very disappointed about this defeat. Will you say that the early goal really affected the game? Frankly speaking, the early goal, in some way, it really affected us. But so far as Ghana came out far from Doma beat us here, and also promised that coming weekend, inshallah, we also go at Accra Sports Stadium to beat Olympus.
Waiting summer, Abrante and Abdullah Jalilu, and so ready to jump after the game. And on 7 and so yet to me, Eddie Abreu on a command 97.1.
Yabekwa ne de na mom ketua bi wo fie ye fentwam ansa na yakọ amanone Ghana forman tebia esi akan enso wo amanfo amanso Alexander Jiku endra dai e wo French League 1 no ensuemu ogire mu esi akan e de ma ne bobo kwa ndi de Strasbourg emra omukoshia Rennes bobo no omudi engugu de na mom Alexander Jiku motembo e de ma Strasbourg team endra na wo soro enso e wo game omuboy ye no emu Joseph Pencil enso nya go e de ma KRC Genk Boboko na mra amonso ne open enso ball draw e wo Belgian league no enso emu ne modemo no na wo soro endra pa e de ma Genk Boboko na we ye Ghana former ntie bi endra dai amonso etumi agire mu e bo mo homoden enso wa manfo yen kroso
Yanko Shanra matches to me Corso, our man, na Yam fan 70 French League Army, matches no Edoso pa, Aropa, and as a nundu, Yatanasia, the French League Art, but Spanish Premier La Liga, and that big game eto jump, and so no, our move. There's a Real Betis Bobo Conetanafi, and so in Barcelona, it's me the boy after 90 minutes. FC Barcelona, the Broganes, it's me a Betis, upon a Camino, and the Real Betis, Etimo Baco, Abrante, and the answer Rafinha, a Bogo Nafin. Robert Lewandowski at the back with Piso and so the ma Barca Bobo Con Jules Conde Ongo and so let's get back home. Let's make my Betisa and also no Amfa Momo na Uko Piemo and so no our English EFL Cup and another Carabao Cup now Manchester United the Bobo the Red Devils United it's match Nottingham Forest Ebony Camino Nottingham Forest Bobo Kono and to me auntie Abrante and the so Anthony Marshall and so no etumi free bench ebe bogo Samson Fred and so the backo epi so just say we no quite 5-0 on aggregate Manchester United a qualify a compete grand finale of the EFL Cup almost no and in Newcastle and almost no ebe Club World Cup FIFA Club World Cup and SRC and so all the way Morocco na Bobo Kwan in the Ali of Egypt and so etumi Auckland City of United States of America abo makamiensa and in Auckland City and so and to me ante Abrante and and so and Mohamed Sharif etumi say go Percy Tau and so the back piso and so etumi ma Alia and rather good start papa and ma Africa including the and so come and my on the FIFA Club World Cup
French League 1 matches ahuro eko so endra Angers etnafie Emma Jasio be show mu 2-1 Samson Lille Metropole any Clermont foot team no and so about 0-0 Reims yake 9 editia Laurent omutimu emienu Toulouse eshe 9 etia Troyes omonso etimu eba Nantes 3 fiem Olympique Marseille ebe show academy enu omo ntumi antem enso wa French Ligue 1 enso yemu Lens enso 3 fiem Nancy anase Nice ebe show mo ekan ba ko a omonso ntumi ante Rennes eche Strasbourg esho mo ekamiensa omo ntumi ante Montpellier etre fiem Paris Saint-Germain ebe show mo ekamiensa womonso etimu eba ko Kylian Mbappe beye 2 minutes na Brante na say 2 penalties enso to me the atoaso enu echi no 55th minute Fabian Ruiz enya goal ena Messi 72nd minute ono so enya goal e de ma Paris Saint-Germain boboko no enso e ho no 3-1 ena mutumi edi nkunim enso e Olympique Lyonnais ene Brest e bo 0-0 Monaco eche ozo esha ni 3-2 enso e ho no ma anopa yeti ho e de ma we na matches ahoro ni na no ebeba so nondu yetrasia ye de ho nkomo nyina ebeba
nje se Miami team star Brest and yenya draw on a breezy abon won breezy abon Brest but La Liga game back we to Real Madrid and so and Valencia about 8 p.m. and a match and so across Chelsea my brand Enzo Fernandez and then Brante you cry Chelsea for just number 5 and Brante did Enzo Fernandez and so player me penance no one fair player no one fair me cheda hu bisaya player no one fair papa and so no me shebela am say me den mama bella and no I go dey some and anopa yen so the fancy upon no a standard edition of the show no you better na say na fin so no ye di munchire mu nyina e dey abro on a global sports anopa me dinye Kelvin Amponsa Eddie Mini
Pasolo Paradise. Yeah, kono dear, my madam Jennifer. Happy birthday. And then now Dante. Yaminto non quandem na omani nisa. I'm 97.1.
Okay.
Na sikano so embra o say.
Oba.
Madam Jennifer.
Say me o me be o the rules ni Anita nyina.
Baja say. Oh Accra so. Oh Abokobi.
Okay. Abokobi so Abokobi. Tema na.
Oh Sesemi.
It's no me bisa so be me how. Your me me player bi o the Anita. Me player bi o the.
Oh yes, so be so the lender.
Nti no nyina wo nti.
Ti Jennifer anope nyami shira na won to nkwandam pa.
Nti no Gobe Association of Ghana. And you be sim kunya. Ni ahwede nti a doctors no. I did research we aba. Omodi blame ni ma eze. Udi Gobe do na.
And why say ma Gobe ko ma kono do pay.
Na chawa Gobe dey do. Unya kokko bi biaso a. Oh. Gobe dey.
Me dey me pe. Nya onso okoto beans no now the befie na. Oye ni say stew na. Tomatoes wo mu na jene wo mu na the green pepper kakra. Egum na oche okoko so oh. Baby girls in the bomb. That be maybe that guy in Yami Wadi. Baby girls in the bomb unko. Say no.
Okuma Radio.
Say your case Dominion Herbal Powder Emma immune system and then kwabo wo ni pedrum ni yeden na ne senti wo tadi ya resun kunimu a ehu adanse bi ni o
adon dey fine pa manum bi tina me di ho adanse no enya yesi me say
Dominion Herbal Powder de minia enya amanfo adanse enti na be kanfo ne aye wo mi ni peduamu no eburo madwen ene menti ase so emma Dominion Herbal Powder empa wo hu da biara da
asem no anada ho no Dominion Herbal Powder enwanso anya wo nsuo hie wo tea cup mu na de atreketo ase biagumu wo twa nseti yanum wawie Angels Dominion Herbal Center won kokko ene de aba apemfo aba tan mo manufo ene kwada woni fiedum ye ne de won ka ho dodo afre 054 315 8195
FDA agi edwadie nkratoɔ yi atum
Meni nchiminua menu aduane wo fie ane de nti se ne amepɛ no minnim kwan amefa so amefiefo ani begye meduane no
menua penyi nyina nim se de na papa pɛ waduane no asene ma me de mpo
na afia ba ne se ne nso me amani esese me ye hu bibi ansa na me ho atwam
fa weye waduane free na ekɔ na fa mase da bre me achiri
kwai ne desi from suku hello I didn't know drew her Saboba ne duane na asa ma obiara mbɔ me subu
Ofie natural spices adom me hie bisisia de bia no amaduane wo me fie hada na me de bi nso akogu me supo mu ato
Ofie natural spices powder edel no bededi
Atufuo mfrɛ 0552 617 139 0546 761 939 0242 299 0691.
Kojak Oral Care at the Kojak Charcoal Toothpaste and then a charcoal toothbrush up Beja Manso. A bow se who buy a free and more a mine can a bowenum. A mouse yet ding na pie fita and a Kojak Fluoride Toothpaste yet in a brush a kawama free. A mawenum yum na mouse a chinam and so I yet drink. Yes, so a Kojak F sensitive toothpaste and then a mouth bather a bow se who buy. So with the Adriania you and I say Jania Eshe, Emma Osinya Uya, near your friend no electric shock, Nasa Osinya Uya pan, Nasa Fimojan soa, and ye now Diane, Kojak P toothpaste, and in a mouth bath. Kaisa where you see Kojak sensitive toothpaste and a Kojak sensitive toothbrush no a boom. So pay biata, ko supermarket and now drugstore bia a benwo in Kratoi FDA a Jiatu.
Hello, Mama. Baby, I come here.
Debbie, me hon shut down for me.
We, procure, a 2 points pa, Kojak for a year, who been near to a drugstore BM.
We patrol pro code.
Oh, Ebony.
Debbie, when you pro code.
Where's your come up? Sorry, come.
Debbie, me pe pro code PROCOLD. I free Kojak KOJACH.
Kojak for the Ebony.
And me das. So we could drugstore beer, so we could pe pro code at toi. She, I'm the one your brand for Frobiantum.
Sankratui, FD Fuajiatum say, come up.
97.1 FM is rocking. We are blazing.
We shall be alright.
On Kuma Radio 97.1.
Cause Jah shall wash away all the tears from my eyes in times when the storm. And the tides are raging, we know we shall win.
right, check it out. 30 minutes after 8. Rams Morgan, he calls this one, Jah shall wash away all my fears. In fact, when the tides are raging very high, we have no hopes. We have no other support except we fall on to Jehovah for his own mercies and his support. So we shall always have Jehovah on our side.
The mountain tops.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
On, we all are marching on. We say, Jah shall wash away all the tears from my eyes. In times when the storms and the tides are raging high, we know we shall win, and we know we'll survive. Yeah.
Okuma Radio.
Wash away all tears. Yeah. We know we must win the fight. Ooh, when the wicked try come and eat upon our flesh.
Okuma Radio.
We know that Jah, he is the best over trials and tribulations, because Jah shall wash away all the tears from wicked in high and low places. No matter what they do, no matter what they try, I and I, we
Okuma
shall
Radio.
overcome.
So the wicked man in the high and low places,
Shall wash
no
away
matter what they do, as we try,
the tears from my
we
eyes.
have a leaning God.
Try come and
Jehovah always will be for us. Adapa ya mama che o se Yakopon be hwema ye nisini so nyina ma papa kama abodefo ne wo mu yetia ye nyina ba bi o mu bia so more high places positions o ye minister o ye den o ka yo kra no be tie bia no ye de Yakopon e be kwama ye obi kita ye mu san se ye ni bia e kan ho. Adapa ye san borra mu fia ensem e wo fia e bebre pa ebi ni se enando pay organized labor any California bre papa so here aban yentena se macho fufu emfa yetikomero yanum watashi ni okay fufu ona okaba chon oyicho ese kaba ba ona bumi okene wose omumpene ema banchwa fufu mfo matiko mero manum ade no se pension funds enka ho asa we yada ko dada do ba yedi da ho ene anka just say we will fiercely resist attempt to include pension funds in DD program, the debt domestic debt restructuring program no and all can was no pay any opening kasi pa ba twen komo no wache ba bi omugina na pension de obaga so die nim unu abidie wo mo fa bidie wo wose sika ya bra pa ya dwuma ya de amaye ne de opening person for bineka opening de nimo anope on so wakasa na or say breaking the 8 with the fractured MPP cannot break the 8 and also breaking the 8 MPP before breaking the 8 no I say fracture, you can't fracture that. I say abu bi anaso ni pa don't pay mobu na wolimpi untimi ntia so say baby a party jan no kwasem ne say me party ni me MPP ni de na nema akoso no nya de betimi abu ama sa nipa no nti o hia fresh face obi a ne ho ni asem ne no ntechema oni aban ni mu na MPP ni ogina brane na ne no oni ogina brane pa na enye se bibi Israel ho no mo de mpapone emfrotie ne empochi ma ebi ania pai bi o se design ne fa nkonya kopon ni yenye sa o se nye kra tete me mo yes nyina no asotwe ba ne nye kra nti nei ope obi an ho son to sabro be ono ene nipa MPP for ni ntino so na omo hwe ntino man ye bo ne voice na ye ne no ya bobo ho me fa ne sa anopai ene chai phone so ati se omo ne aban adwuma ku a ye aban kra table friend NH ene GHS Ghana Health Service yen tutu ye na ene sika omutua no nkrofo nse so a omyon fa bin count na ekọ hospital na wa hwese no be ma no nti be di mu koma hwese anyi bia no se omugigi bia ka ho a ekọ hospital de ne hwe anim ye hwe anim se ndubo wo se insurance company and say what is going to happen be hwe ne de no so echi na no pai anopa ye bebo rock room sense de bia wo se timi de entwada so na ma ka ho ene se you the more than free police more than free you be call around petrol stations around him say bia you say to paper so ne kan graphics so ne kan na say you say pump on you tututum you no wie so gas obi o abaka say me unika gas mamna oye aduane na akọ tobie no abrama ma no ne ade no ono the sister so be na adwuma na no abrama ma ene why o shen pa nti oba no pebia shobotom ye be bia no enti no ba kakra shobotom na odi aboa abna mo why have kama ne okwa abrama ma on the 6 6 Jordan na brother ne obia no aje obia no the Valentine no ho ta abrama ma amafo original mammy's joint honey kan wasemi enti obekoto gas odi abenu aduane no kuya so bekoto gas bright shop on beto gas ofuro beto gas because jama manager bobo jama honey we twa so kakra die safo ni nyina ebeto gas ebi be kan okoto a watum kakra sanze gas na ekosro car de koto petrol ekosro enti ye be gas stations dem sanze nyibia na ya he na no na anopa yadura he na yehunu ye ko okwa office kan na no adam koto bie ko ekitwe was 1 point bb ya metoye na no adam koya was 85 na mato minisa me konna bo no enyina faako enti nyina no producer eni pani bi to anamo ni ahwesa na nyina na ye na ma was na bisi aye niema fa da ba bia ahoden ne kwan ba daba for be so say yentum na mja he na etum na enso mo ja he no de be kasi bi free national but to da bia o ma yo mu changes no ewo around na kasa na mo president for ni ade o say o he na ntimi a toka o toka ya nkasa ne be kakai tokai o toka ya unu bia eni asem the boy
Obanyiga se
ye mo acha no very
ya ja
empono
o nye ho adom me ho ye
Jethro Lord Boaz omko
Ezra omko Boaz na ya otwemina me Boaz no kakra o na so akankran oh yeah mani age injowa pi mani age bebre ha na mi ni asem bebre ka police fu asem a eba yenka ho asem yi police fu asem a eba yenka ho asem na mesre iwura da mpare se police fu no omo yen nanfo eda no ye na license enkaro ha yen papa commander nkasa eba hanom entinka we kasem asinka commander betimi akabina so yese mo bia nkasa opanyi anopai yabo wura ne ntwada so wa peke wa fa na nkono nko kasa bia no kwasem anka wo de headquarters wan kasa so yese e police fo nyina anye kom na ye wura da mpare ono nko an nkasa ono so na yini ni number yi nti ye besirem we de oman ye nyina see if you see something say something so if you hear something call somebody se sa na tie dia ene na mpanyifo no nhwem ye wura da mpare na nhwe on fa tumi ni bi enje commanders ni bi nsa na asem sia omo enka no mo ye ho amane kama nka police fu asem a abeto dwai we di anka no pay na dawroma o ma twimi o twimi amemi ye mo dada me da says wa na mewu we di na dawroma me sere me kasa anka mu bui mu a ka we di eastern region amoni pa mienu miensa ekwan o betumi akasa ebia ekwabinofwa nipa ba mienu bi onde obetumi akasa ebia ko central region nipa mienu miensa bi obetumi akasa na nkasem ni sia putupuru ye fro bi a oboye ho amane we abai ye dia no fafa ho ane eja ato ye no fafa ho ane eja ato nti we ni omo ane ebu oman no police force de omo ane yen yensu ye ni anu omo
kwa me da sama ka hama isu na me kodin komo anapana me ka se yese ni ho ka na ehwene so ho aka kwase mo ni se ye ma me ni papa no ni nuan ma omo akọ pension ene sika horo a obu ha wo hia ne prepare akoto se ye fa anya djuma na oni mfatum no enei abai this domestic debt exchange program yo dia bai kwame omso manu se opese obo pa tu nanamu si ha omejina ha no atu chori se shifting the post na no ada ne impressors wa abai tu a da 31st December fache me January 31st I tell me 4 p.m. I feel also was na otwa beto so no so chiro mo say na no adam ni shia 22nd of December no me ne kan ye say omo mpene ne mpene china ma organize labor for ne pension fund ne ade komu no ye final non negotiable ye shia ne nkwadwe ho ne ade topa sa ma two poles ye me den sia ebe no so mu tino ye sande a omo so chene say to skoko obi anum se jati fita ne mum no but no omo ne kan de ye final okay onim na sem tino not in the second way we are any obe we say
enkran no koyeje
anopai ye nua Bernard Ajay ono secretary at the Public Service Workers Union part of the organized labor. Mr. J, and approach here, Watching.
Yeah, Micha, Obia.
Yo, yeah, that's it. And I pay your boy Pinwaje, Penny Sonia Becassa. Now, yes, me titia. Yes, when you have to say Crodom Senday, Monpenecra, the Mons say Abino, or the Madin Commercy, Monaka say we move for some baby beer, and Tia or they didn't go a quamu, none of the can hear you, and I know as Sano, and I know as Sano. Nano Cranamo heard him Senka on the 31st of January, 31st of January 2023, as at 4 p.m. No can, or the way Jumanaka, Nemokan, and once was signed 1 week paper to so. Now, Bessie Cherry said, Mucho Sada, no, dan, hoa. Cobessa saying, Comafe, Monpreda, Odaruma. We will fiercely resist attempt to make include pension funds in the program. No, position is own.
You, Minabema Medase, Emisha Semi, a buyer, a check a cry, na Yenina, yes, as stakeholders. Senior Obia betumi aboa ama oman ohawa abeto esui ye betumi eyi efi ho na tise senior odi kan no ye hu se aban ene na wa yese ene na wa base ene na wa base. You see, this is the fourth time it has been postponed. Na ya sakso kata fufro abeto ho na dia ema yeba out Abeka ni aye kan say MOU na ye signing ye no ye pese odi adwuma ni say announcement omo ye 2 days ago ani dia ekokoso ni aban penyimfo nsem bia omo ka in the media no ama ye hu say ya nhwe yi a aban di kokwasa sa na odi ye pension sika akoka ho enti na wo say ye members nso efiase bisa nsem said the ekoso no munti ase anye bia adia asema ye ka kire won say ye bo mu pension hu ban no sabi ntrobi na ye twa kire won ana say de na ekoso nti na wo say ye nhyiemu na ye ditudwa asisu pose yen de MOU aye signing ye no ye pesa aban enhu say sa MOU enu na ye de adwuma Ombetumi asesa debt exchange program no agreement no in whatever way they want. And it is adwuma, but pension fund there ema omonfa omusanka. So omudi omusanka yenyina yewe kuremu kai se nanka yenyina ye cost strike. Eno omudi mrika besani MOU no se wo. Omate yase na omonfa pension nka ho. Enti ede dia ye kan ni se ye pesa agreement no omudi adwuma so omudi program biba na yeti ye pension funds din wo mu a dia wo say ye no yeso ye beye na ye dia protect ye nuanu mu a omo akọ pension ni ya ye boa ye ho akọ pension nti dia akodunu no ye dia ye sisu pocket se aban kan no hu se ye ne na asani agreement bi on the OMA agreement in Enyiduma.
Na okasa ne bebia ye be ya eho no chemu kakra.
Oh, menya se ye nyina ye wokurim. Ye di kan eka ya amba antie ye no. Unim nia na nka ye be ye. Nti
da bi minim me ba cho minim ka kire me.
Oh, se ye kasa nka ye cost strike. Organized labor, we were bringing this country to a standstill. Because a kasana won't hear. Bien, I was say, ye kasa na obien tia. There was a yamuti and yabe. Because on my and any paba could dear. On my and ya obi property. On my ye na ye dear. In case be a question bushia. Sabi, we bushia womb. Ana Okuma radio. Emi say problem ana challenge bi bakra. Minje di say o boss. Obeka say ono ye boss inti di obeka bia na wo sam ye. Debi. Eye na adwuma, ono a adwuma ne ye ni di akra no. Ohu ana ojitum say nyansa ne eni onu nko ani trim. Inti obefrɛ mo adwuma ye fo no ne mpanyifo a mu da adwuma na no ama no. na mo di nkɔmɔ na mo hu si a mo de beto na de wo sɛ obi ayɛ ma Okuman radio ɛyɛ radio station a ɛdi akotin no na agina saa mpɛpɛ so no ebusua saa ebusua penyi bɛfrɛ ebusuafoɔ na yɛn rule te sɛ monarchy, and Ghana is a democratic country. Ya elected aban and a government into power. Say omo hwɛ nneɛma nso man. But someone to me and hwɛ ni here na yɛ do baby ayɛ do here. I was say yɛ nyina yɛ to adwen. Na yɛ hwɛ sɛ ayɛ bɛsom ama ɔman no agyina hɔ.
Okasɛm no
yɛ ka ni sɛ yɛatena se yɛakasa yɛanya ntiaseɛ bi yɛma no nyɛ dwuma ɛnyɛ pension sika nko a na bɛtumi aboa nneɛma bebree wɔ hɔ a aban bɛtumi ayɛ projects wɔ hɔ a ɛwɔ sɛ anka ɔmo put a halt on those projects. Aban size of government yɛsi ɛwɔ crisis but me nua bɛma size of government no ɛyɛ still the same ɛnsesan yɛ iti nneɛma nketenkete bebree wɔ hɔ a aban yɛ no yɛ MOU na yɛ sign no second point yɛ ka sɛ yɛni aban ɛbɛ gyingyin na yɛahwɛ nneɛma
Mr. J,
ana options a
Mr. J
me too
MOU no ha mame kan na atiefoɔ ntibi na na yɛwie so a ɛnsɛm bi akansa mɛka na ɔka sɛ yɛn nyina ɔga na nyɛ bakofoɔ dia ɛnyɛ obi property ɛna anyɛ monarch wo sɛ bi mu yɛn sɛ ne yɛyɛ ɔmo dia monarch bi a bibisa na hu no
minia sɛ ɛkɔba ne sɛ yɛ stakeholders ɛde ɔmo adwen kyerɛ ɛbɛboa yɛn nyinaa na aban sɛ ontie na de ɔno sɛ yɛnyɛ no na yɛnyɛ sɛndeɛ na ɛnyɛ democracy biom anya bia yakɔ vote wɔ parliament ana baby sɛ okay proposals ɛda hɔ ni deɛ ɛwɔ hi na yɛmfa ama yɛn nyinaa majority of Ghanaians aka sɛ yɛmfa wei baby nti baby adui ɛwɔ sɛ yɛhu sɛ ɛyɛ aban na ni mismanagement ni nyama ɛna ɛde yɛn abɛdu baby adui. Now how can the mind or the thinking that caused the problem, how can it find solution to the problem? You are doing the same things and you are expecting different results. It doesn't happen. Nti I was saying nyina yɛ to adwen na yɛ ni yi nti yɛn no yɛhu ni sɛ sisi a ɔman mu no dia obia bɛka no sɛbi ɛnhyɛ da ɛnpa so deɛ aban pɛ sɛ ɔyɛ no nko a na ɛwɔ sɛ obia de akyire na yɛmbu ɔman nso saa nti ayɛ haw ɛyɛ den nanso deɛ yɛn yɛbɛtumi ayɛ ne sɛ yɛ pensions ɛne nneɛma ɛfa adwumayɛfoɔ ho deɛ ɛne deɛ yɛntena hɔ because yɛn nso no adwumayɛfoɔ aelect yɛn sɛ yɛn di ɔmo anim na yɛn protect ɔmo conditions of service ɛne ɔmo pensions nti ɛne na yɛn yɛbɛtumi nso adi akutini wɔm agyina hɔ sɛ aban ne ho kwan sɛ ɔbɛyɛ ne sɛ ne ɔpɛ biara sɛ ɔman no yɛso yɛ elect ɔmo sɛ ɔmo hwɛ ɔman no so na ɔmo fii sɛ deɛ ɔmo pɛ biara na ɔmo bɛtumi ayɛ a yɛso yɛpɛ sɛ ɛyɛ ma ɛyɛ clear sɛ adwumayɛfoɔ pension ne ɔmo adwuma mu nsɛm condition of service ne saa nneɛma no nso no yɛn nso yɛyɛ asɛdeɛ sɛ yɛbɛhwɛ sɛ obiara amfa ndi agorɔ ba yɛbɔ mpae sɛ once nkitaho ɛkɔ so no aban bɛte aseɛ na ɔne yɛn ayɛ adwuma ne other stakeholders nso akasa ba deɛ ɔmo aka ne nyinaa no sɛbi ɛda hɔ nti yɛdeɛ yɛpɛ sɛ ɔman yi ɛfa ne ntoma pa ɛfra yɛwɔ sɛ yɛyɛ as organized labor no yɛbɛyɛ na yɛde aboa na yɛntena hɔ ɛmma yɛ pensions yɛde bɛyɛ debt exchange program ɛne deɛ yɛnyɛ
ɛnɛ yɛhwɛ MOU a mo ne aban sign na wɔsɛ Thursday 22nd December 2022 asɛm a ɔka ne sɛ ɔsɛ following meetings held at the Ministry of Finance in December 2022 between Government of Ghana, that's GOG, represented by Ministry of Employment and Labor Relations, Ministry of Finance, and Ministry of National Security on one hand, and organized labor associations represented by leadership of all labor unions, associations on the other hand, to resolve issues on the exemption of all pension funds in the December debt in the domestic debt exchange program announced by government on 5th December 2022. 1. Government has decided to grant exemption to all pension funds in the DDE program. And 2. Government of Ghana and Organized Labour Association shall, however, work together to explore mutually beneficial options within debt sustainability limits and to also promote macroeconomic stability and economic recovery in the spirit of social partnership. Signed, Honorable Ignatius Bafo, Minister for Employment and Labour Relations for Government, and Honorable Ken Oforiatta, Minister for Finance for Government. Dr. Anthony Yauba also signed, Secretary General, Trade Union Congress TUC, Ghana, for Organized Labour and Association. And the agreement I'm about here as at 22nd December, Thursday, 2022, NA.
The second one, first one is very clear. All pension funds are exempted. And the second one is okay. Yes, you work together to explore mutually beneficial options.
Which is exempted of the pension.
Of the pension funds. Exactly.
And you clear stand on it on an exam baby.
Yes, yes. It is
Mr. J, Jay, now Olan should sympathize Jay, Mammy.
Hello.
Hello.
It's the new debt exchange program BIBA, and I revise the document, and I BB. Now, yeah, can't say, oh, we are expecting to finish with organized labor soon, and the pension fund need the ember. It's not part of the discussion. Young person omudi pension fund that count. It is very clear because up to now, who I show enough commitment and I enough sacrifices on each part in terms of the crisis we are talking about. They say, restore even certain allowances, new programs, and we are still spending, government expenditure is almost the same as it has been. Into crisis now, like I was saying, bank taking certain measures to show to us, say, indeed there is crisis. My expenditure need to be so costly. Say, you better convince your members say we are indeed in a crisis. Indeed, I was say you use your pension funds. That is the problem.
And the say modache no mo fan to us say aban na kasa mo no nya na dwe say obetete niam so akire say ono ho akire nto obi mo ano sa na madwe mu
sa na ya dwen me nia beba sa na ya dwen any bra pensioners bre na anya ya ka pensioners anya pension schemes ni sika nko na ya kan even individuals are omo pensions omo pensions sika omo gie ebi dia koto bonds ebi dia koto dia two collective investments
treasury bills
nina enwa abase na many abema se oni pensioners edi nkomo a uyembe hihyew o sa uyem hyew oni pensioners edi nkomo na wo hwa asetena omuwom se no mbe ye didi se no mbe ya ko hospital baby omuda many abema enyew enye Inti was a dream senior, yaba improve for pension. It is a crisis via Basia. And what's the individuals need pension there? I will say a bomb who buy. Well, Naka and himself, I buy all this summer buying there, and you're safe. Now, so the Akosi, am I in a slow? To see I've had been passed obedience to Bema Abanje on Fanya Bibi. A Hona could.
Say now that also no on the 7th of February beba say beba na pension kan wa ebe mo wana on the 7th of February or there say 1 week ni mo no you work together to have a beneficial a mutual benefit in terms of other areas that you can explore. Beba say or ebia wo frame mo kra na so person mo can about other options bia mo beko.
Oh, sir, mine ukase kura ye wo team omuni aban edin komo. yɛdeɛ negotiation na engagement deɛ yɛyɛ engagement sɛ yɛne wo nya adwen yɛne wo anya adwen koraa na sɛ wofrɛ yɛ a yɛne nti mɛtumi aka kyerɛw sɛ yɛwɔ team organized labor team a ɔmo ne Ministry of Finance Asia ADD nkɔmmɔ nti ɛno deɛ ɛkɔ so but deɛ yɛka ne sɛ ma ɔmo mfa pension funds ɛnka ho ɛno a na yɛka nti nkɔmmɔdie mu no nkɔmmɔ no deɛ ɛkɔ so ɔmo di nkɔmmɔ sɛ bi yɛntumi nka sɛ yɛnkasa anaa yɛntena se ɛndi nkɔmmɔ ɛnhwɛ sɛnea ɛbɛyɛ a yɛbɛsolve problem but sɛ yɛde pensions ɛbɛ mu deɛ a ɛne na yɛsɛ yɛmpene no
mo nkurɔfoɔ ne wɔ negotiation table no ama mo nkra bi sɛ anyɛ biara mohwɛ a damfo yɛ ɔmo nyɛ wɔn ne pension bɛka ɔmo anyanteɛ bi saa
report a ɔmo de maa yɛn nnura no nnura yɛyɛ nhyiamu no ɔmo maa yɛn report bi report ɔmo de maa yɛn no na anka still no proposal na ɛbaa yɛn no yɛn yɛhwɛ a yɛhu sɛ still pensions no ɔmo try sɛ ɔmo bɛ modify terms no te sɛ sɛnea ɔmo announce for individual bondholders no but yɛsi debi woyɛ ne saa nso a ɛnyɛ ɛntɔ aso nti ɛbɛyɛ a pensions deɛ ma ɔmo mfa ɔmo sanka na yɛne individual bondholders no nso yɛ adwen ɛwɔ sɛ ɔmo nyinaa yɛbɔ ɔmo ho ban ɔmo mu bebree naa nso ɛyɛ pensioners bebree naa nso ɛyɛ dwumayɛfoɔ a ɔmo sika kakra ɔmo wɔ no sɛbi na ɔmo de akɔto aban investment mu sɛnea ɛbɛyɛ a ɔmo bɛnya kakra bi wɔ so ɛde ahwɛ ɛde aboa wɔn because salaries no nso ɛnyɛ ade a ɛni ɛsɔ yɛka ne sɛ ntumi nya nneɛma bebree ɛmma yɛn nti adwumayɛfoɔ nso nya sika kakra na ɔmo so ɔmo de akɔto so individual bondholders n'asɛm no nso ne nyinaa ka nea yɛreka no ho ɛwɔ sɛ yɛhwɛ na yɛbɔ amanfoɔ ho ban sɛnea ɛbɛyɛ a ɔmo bɛnya gyidie ɛwɔ financial system mu ɛne aban mu na ɔmo wɔ sika kakra bi a na ɔmo de aba bond treasury bill collective investment scheme ɛnyɛ saa yɛ financial system no ɛbɛ collapse nti ne nyinaa ho asɛm na yɛka yɛn pension schemes any funds no any individuals nso a ɔmo de ɔmo pension sika any ɔmo sika abɛto aban investment ɛwɔ sɛ yɛbɔ ɔmo nyinaa ɛho ban
arapɛ yɛbɛda ase na yɛbisa sɛ anyɛ biara wohwɛ sɛnea aban ɛkɔi na sɛnea wokan yɛn nso ɔhyɛfti post ɔde akɔsi ha ɛna ɔde asi ha ɛna wokan terms no technologies no bi a wasesa bi na ɛfoma ni so nti sɛsɛ no sɛnea mokane no mobɛsɛ hyia biam na asena sɛ na ba na sɛ nea mokan sɛ final no final aban ɛde appeal bi aba ɛno deɛ ɛyɛ no go area
yɛdeɛ yɛ team na yɛsi ɔmo hyia aban no yɛama ɔmo mandate ni sɛ bibia ɔmbɛtumi other options ɔmbɛtumi a discuss no ɔmo discuss na yɛmboa ma nneɛma nkɔ yie ba pension sika deɛ mɔmo mfa nka ho ɛno ano no nti yɛbɔ mpaeɛ sɛ ɔmo nhyiamu a ɔmo ne Ministry of Finance ɛyɛ no ɛbɛkɔ n'anim na animanim yɛ by 7th no yɛsɛ ɛbɛyɛ dɛ sɛ yɛbɛ announce program no na bibia na confidence aba back because esi no business kra entumi plan o pese uye bibi kra untumi nya because uncertainty ɛdɔɔso you don't know what will happen tomorrow and then yɛ di we aka ho ɔkyena yɛ yi we efim and then yɛ ayɛ sɛbi how man nso nti yɛ mpa ɛbɔ ni sɛ 7th no bedu no na ɔmo wie bibia na yɛatumi ahu nea yɛbɛyɛ te sɛ ɔman nti yɛbɔ mpae ɛyɛ ma yɛ nyinaa ɛsɛ nso a ɛsɛ ma yɛ nyinaa nti yɛyɛ man this is the only country we have nti deɛ ɛwɔ sɛ yɛyɛ biara na ɔman no ɛfa ne ntoma papra no ɛwɔ sɛ yɛ nyinaa yɛboa na yɛyɛ
Anapa Mr. J, yɛbɛda ase na yɛde ani adi akyire nkɔpem sɛ 7th February bɛduru no yɛbɛdi akyire na 7th n'akyi nso na yɛbɛsi biara no yɛbɛba na yɛbɛhwɛ sɛ makoma tɔm yɛm ana Abani Banada J na ɔyɛ kasamafo anaso church penny edema general friends TUC Public Service Workers Union of TUC the pay nyan nedi komo kwame pension no what could be an abibia could be
me na na bema bija me na na bank na me na oko esa dabraka ho baby ekoji bosumi bia na 8 Ghana cedi
sabre no
yeah ACD na o faka concrete na waba na obeba no unse wabre two papa no kasa no waka say nima bibiro ho no ma aban betumi aye beboa eja roto yi se ya ni twa mu sa nima na etwa mu bi no na baba affect ye no se ka roto yi ho no ma aban betumi anya sika no de hye nima nkitin mu ni ade enti se be yi a me ne papa no ya adwe se aban wa na waka se roto wa twam ma roto no ensan emre bio na ye lori akwan yi na to so ubenya sika afi papa yenwe madam fu bi otebrofo po temahaba yenye temahabo yiye yibetumi yenye sika ho no mu a ye de betumi ahye nima nkitin mu a pension fo sika ye mfa yensa ngoka na omu sika no kura ya he ukọ adukro mu a pension fo omu association pensioners no omu association ai
Ghana pensioner
yes why adwuma wie no me de nka me hu so fa so bia but omu say se wa nko association meeting ni bia ebedu ba bi kura no udin kura no kwaji sika kura de ho e de ma na nkrofo ya bobo sika no
omu ne bom ho ban he so omu ne ma be koso kan
se wa nko bia se ni sika na aka wa ye adwuma na aka wa ye adwuma wie kura no ne odi ba fie kura ya he eja ye obi ti me yante me ofa ne yire ba ko oye okira de wie oba fie na katu nyina de ma ni nyina no na 30,000 Ghana cedi 300 million sa 300 million kai VAT ya to na he VAT ya to na he obi ya adwuma almost 30 years 40 years no ba fie 30,000 Ghana cedi no so akoto VAT almost 8 billion 6 billion ebi kura bro sa na wabwa sika nyina no a gwagugugu nyuma bebre se me shafo bank me ye way bank na de hawa bre ya pensioner ni sika kakra so da ho no wo sa be se me de sika kwakoka oh me de me omo ya adwene se abade sika sika no a omo ntisi krom me se ye be se shift go post no bi meeting time 7th no ye nyina wa aban be ka se wo tu ahye da foforo enti on pe bibi foforo mo enya ebeboa no be nya sika e de ahwe oman enya pensioners omo sika ana betumi atua ya kan nyina de amai ni ma kitikiti bo papa senia orura ne kan no ye betua ya ebe ma sika papa sebe meni nse obia ye nuano mo abujifu enam ha ne ade obo okura ya nyine tax ne be bakura anye onam ha o je ko na o de da no okwa America o chemisa America efe o di okwa America free ko na ante wono mo a ya mi za hwe a pepa nye na onamu ya chokura sikari betu tiso no etimi efiri ese chelsea enfie mienu ni miensa enti sene oru ane ka no aban ne mu sinkonwa bio enti o manu mu asem ono akura se maka menweye no onhye ne mayi no onfa mesisi na akwam emaye pension sika de menim panyifo ne ya adwene sabade ne saka omuntisi krum
time no album no watcha permanent aduanan ensia there's a community ne be say aduano 9 na community person say do 9 na no krobo a be ko hamana se dey komo I think say papa adenimo akasa e be fan the voice o kan ne atena ho na ya bobo ho but dey misa say individual bond holders so omo oguso omo ne aban atwene times there be was river systems ma yenso ye hutimi han yes ade a yen sign that nti eno no ene entema ura senya hosi so what ni senyo hosi ono na odo manim what you say well this is not what we asked for. Yes, the consensus we reached with government was not what is going on. To say near my ban no Kenya no aban for say ombehuna say osimwe na o say no de ono so no omo mpene da enti ene eno so cause ama yera Jonkuma honorable Jonkuma ye MP amso MP o ajusun potem ho no chese da bi we din ho ya papa so kansam sa wa ma o dia reho ne atinkane de bi room emotions o da bi na ka say yi kwan na lor kwan no anka o da
ya o se kwan tene
papa ti don na nei o ka ho asem se sana akoba kan senyo wosi na obekaya na odini juma ewo what is saying bulk oil distribution no yɛ CBOD papa yɛ CEO pen nti onim ne wɔka nkakra kɔdi hɔ nti kwame n'ani abrɛ papa nti John Kuma sɛ wɔn nso adeɛ a wɔde atenka ne emotions ne ade kɔhyɛm ɔsɛ nti kwame ne akɔba no me nso wo kakra wakɔtɔ treasury bills ne bi
ɛyɛ dɛbi ɛbrɛ bi na me de sika akakra to na me kakra ti sika me de ato no na ɛkɔ anim kakra na me si o we de me kɔ na ɔmaboa me agya me kɔ ya yɛsi sika na me de si besi mfinhyia num no 1,000 cedis pɛ na ɛwɔ na me sɛ sika da bia me de to mo bagye senate o sɛ ɛyi SIC o sɛ fa na so me ho akyɛ me 1,000 cedis ya ne mfa me sika me fi kɔ no isabre no kɔ no no kura me nya sika na me de ayi bi foforo mom yes kana na be from na mu saka me di wo mpa na agya yese ye baby haircut ye be je hwan we ya agya nka me o na nka nya yie kura o nka nya yie kura agya na nipa bro oba okwa makora no ade emma na ade na mudwa so na mawia no ne ade bobo sika na ban wo be je a se wo 2 minti aban wo 2 minti david me de ni wo mu no kura na me de ni wo ni nkyerese me nka bi emfa emma wo no mo media ni anyone just a menka bi media ni home mum abusuafo bi de e wo honom na mo tena anopadi kaka na nima bibre won ma ban betumi aye na oman yi ehia yen aja oman prakupa wo hwe fama gudie nko aye wo mpo a anupo ebe boa yen bebrebe na gise empanyifo bre ombedi sika kakra ombedi behwe omo sika gwada bia meka so omu ni ana omu di to nro ni ade because teacher ni bi wa watia mo fra sa obi won ma fa to onya BP nti sika kakra ne sa BP adre so no ya before day na ni boy den abrafo day na wo fam kakra na anupo wo mu ntemento na so sa wo kan dey say dey wo bu na bra ne su wo kunu kura wie no ana obi so sika we ya na o de hwe ne nananom ne ma ne ade ya nti no de media ni ho ne mumum sani ya papa ne kan ye no ejina ma ye nyina egusu a eguma ye nyina
kwame me da se committee do na nonkron abo fi ha na pay ebobo se mebre ho police force ka kamkafo dumienu 12 eva notorious pa o mjin ko forecast na o yeso ne be titinti a okun ato atwa ageka no no ada police force ka wo mu ama ne o mjina mu a be kan wasem kakra no twama era de ni mo se a fractured MPP cannot break the 8 sanse mi ni be di nkomo enche na producer so omo chase chrome e de gas filling station awro e wa ma na ebo abrain na etimi e de adijuma yenyantie se report bi aba kire se okreman mu no okre pompo ene ni ate se ekom kataban ekom ekunkototo anwea so no ene nkwada wo school wo honde ekom nti wono mu nko so nanam kromo ene obi di wachi ne kase osmami obi nya fa na chopo so my mam tomre sa dan kore yes okre menyini se dambotwe okre dabi kanada do okre menyini se dan kanada ne dambotwe okre ene yesa enti ebedi akire na yebisa sa nya bia ekom ben ana man koda ne nkona sabi yo kafra akoda de osi de toduani die awofro mo wo no omo wo he gobernor ka so madi no sabi na koya na wo se awofohwe omuma omusukuko omadidie snack ne ade aban etimi de school feeding so ba te si den ne benyan tie se okrema mu no ekom ye ka okra sabre ne akodi abriu dawu akugwa ane adukrom aprede ene ho dabi ebia be okra kwadwo ne na benyi ni emu hot sikoko emu hot ne bia na enei empanifo akohunu se aba enti ye kan Ghana ye senkran dabi ne okra enkyere sa akuro amanto enumu amabosu yi na ediko fase ho no ntwada so ho no nkrana se ho no bia na ho ene komi edokro nkwada amom nko school ebe ne do mo asoko ne bisam nsem bresem anabai okay ho a utim do text message eba 0551 667755 and 0270191971 0551 667755 and 0270191971 anabai ye twa ho na eba ebetos medin edi Kofi Anson Bafo between from KAP
on Common Radio 97.1.
Oh, sugar cane sweet, but your love is sweeter. So below juice mixed with a little ginger. Oh girl, I wanna be with you, but you know they got enough
Okuma Radio.
Find your love, girl, you never know, say you gon' gas up. Man, them so far to find your love, girl, you never know, you gon' gas up. Man, them so far to find your love, girl, you never know, say you gon' gas up. Man, them so far to find your love. Man, on your chin, now walk your don't talk. Come in like a thief in the night, long jaw.
Okuma Radio.
All of my niggas, them ball. Nothing you go ever need at all. Man, on your chin, now walk your don't know. Taking it a break, I me, I know the rush. Baby, if you want me, catch a rebel, my mister would on me. Yeah, follow. It be you, I go follow. And I hope you know, say you be Doro.
Okuma Radio.
Like Doro, Bucci, you follow. Oh, follow. It be you, I go follow. And I hope you know, say you be Doro. You dey like Doro, Bucci. Oh, girl, I wanna be with you. But you know they got enough time for me. I wanna live with you. I got the reason why I can't let go. Cause you never know, say you gon' gas up. Man, them so far to find your love. Cause you never know, say you gon' gas up. Man, them so far to find your love. Cause you never know, you gon' gas up. Man, them so far to find your love. Cause you never know, say you gon' gas up. Man, them so far to find your love. Man, them so far to find your love. Cause you never know, say you gon' gas up. Man, them so far to find your love. Cause you never know, you gon' gas up. Man, them so far to find your love. Cause you never know, say you gon' gas up.
All right, so Camilo brings us just about 6 minutes to hit of our night. And he calls this one Kongwa. So I'd have loved to be with you. You don't give me enough time.
When a Pongo so na me there.
And your Pongo.
Okay. Congo.
Na Pongo.
Taking it a break at me, I know the rush. Catch a rebel, my mister would on me.
Let's say good morning to and happy birthday to Jaden Kwabena.
You know, say you be Doro.
Jaden Kwabena, you are 7 years old today. Your grandmother, Auntie Charlotte.
If you are
Sister Effie. She sends a happy birthday wishes to you. Jaden Kwabena of Godiva International School in East Legon. Happy birthday. May you grow to be that responsible man, that fruitful, fulfilling man of the family and for that of Okre and Ghana. Jaden Kwabena Minta, Godiva International School at East Legon. Happy birthday to you. And it's also coming from your parents. They say learn, play, and become. As you play, you learn, and then you become. Then you become what you want to be. Jaden Kwabena Minta of Godiva International School is Legon. You are 7 today.
Follow. If you I go follow, and I hope you know, say you be Doro. You dey like Doro, Bucci, you follow. Oh, follow. If you I go follow, and I hope you know, say you be Doro. You dey like Doro, Bucci. Oh, girl, I wanna be with you.
Okuma Radio.
But you know they got enough time for me. I wanna leave.
I'm maybe I want to do now. Walk Doro Bucci, and I'm a kai and say, "Be because I can't afford no." And you know, say, "Kwame Eugene, Kwame Zamwa, Kwame." And Obani Shashi wo as a Murugana forward. But Nigeria funny. Come and chop my money.
Nigeria no, they be America. Say banyo na unza match di munyina alcohol ko bo bra ho na nampe di mu ade bridge back Kofi Same omunyina
Kofi dem so say no nya di chief no.
Yeah. Enti no Nigeria for no I think say about words lyrics in the na so mo soro kakra sen.
You say Nigeria is a very large community, almost very large country.
Yeah.
In terms of entertainment any Nigeria almost income no. Over obi or Delta State baby or your henny or in you no cash one hon. And the federal state no. Federal government need to take a decision and the central government has.
And you hanum dey I say.
Enough time for me. I wanna live with you.
First of all.
Oh, can you never know, say you gon' gas up. Man, them so far to find your love. Can you never know, say you gon' gas up. Man, them so far to find your love. Can you never know, you gon' gas up. Man, them so far to find your love. Can you never know, say you gon' gas up.
Nigeria for no so no. fa how many at a team obi say no mo onwonto bi say fela kuti yeah wo hwe ne nwom ne ade no a wotumi say na punch ne ahode
no fela was an icon. He still remain an icon even dead. Yeah, fela more they've done their Afro beat and all that. I think say fela they incomparable. Let me say good morning to my sister and friend Rose Edimakwachi. Good morning to Rose. How you doing? Today. CEO of AJ Sports and pay AJ Otiake Moachi. Also promote today.
Nothing you go ever need that.
When we go to my stable, I can see a new finimu. Taking it. Auntie Melon, Auntie I pay me much. Mama own today.
If you want me,
me I see me 19 here.
Follow.
Remember I was not Unia Jua was in it.
If you I go follow.
I'm your Sichi.
Say you be Doro.
And I be a Minia Kwaku Safari. Papa Sami from an party me come watch Grace.
If you I go
say penny sim.
I hope you don't say you be Doro.
And I don't pay me watch. Now me go fear that many Oyeminia boy di come hey.
With you.
People pan na nasemo.
Enough time for me. I wanna leave.
And no matter what no ma fawa e ko si hwa. Say na mo so ma jimi atumo ko ha. Ne ba wo e kromu sister ye na no ko catch papa say me chia no. Mo na dodro me so we di eya ne sa meba. Enti na anopati e ka ntia kese po afriko minia ba oye oso chia pa.
To find your love, can you never know say you can gas up. Man them so bad to find your love, can you never know.
Manafu bi ye ahenema wa himfini animo abana anim ho e friend kwaisi. Obane uti meka anope also me mawache. Mami esi form na ye bra me hwe nsem aka no anope test message kakra ba ye hwe ha ofe maswallows watching live from Kwamoso. My greetings Odoya so anope ochi Odoya we dey Kwamoso wankasa and na otien as 6 minutes ago. When Nana Kwama Boateng is not related, but I'll say Nana Kwama Boateng and Blakema Central. Very special greetings to the Vice President Dr. Alhaji, President Alhaji Dr. Baumia. He is next to lead the MPP to break the 8. MPP remains best political party to bring tangible development to the ordinary Ghanaian. And here Nana Kwama Boateng and Blakema Central on the way by. And then here Mikro Mihini Dint and I say Nana Kwama Boateng. He didn't see a call for and for Niagro. Or say 8 years there, Dr. Baumia beti me a pajamu na what the MPP amanya kwenetwa ako 8 no. Yentene papa ayi Adenimo Dr. Honorable Adenimo NCB Onosoka.
This brings the needed experience and maturity with both the private and public sectors, whilst also beaming with hope and enthusiastic energy to serve the Ghanaian people. In my opinion, the prevailing circumstances of our party now require a new face as the next presidential candidate. And I say the new face to win the 2023 MPP flag bearer contest. Mr. Chairman, it is important before proceeding further to point out the characteristics of the new face to win and what characteristics that new face must possess or should offer to the MPP rank and file and to the Ghanaian people. These characteristics will generate vibrant enthusiasm with the rank and file members of the party. We are all poised for the revival, for the revitalization, and the rejuvenation of the MPP, and thereby enabling us to break the 8. I hope you can agree with me that these characteristics should include, but not limited to, the following. 1, just being a natural unifier. That new face must just be a natural unifier, not an artificial unifier. The second characteristics, that new face must have an unblemished character and a history of service. You need to have an unblemished character so that people can testify about you, people can witness about you. And so you need that outstanding character for people to know, and then they can testify. And then the third characteristics is that new face brings the new energy and the fresh appeal to successfully harness the challenging times and opportunities ahead. Mr. Chairman, a fractured party or a fractured MPP cannot win in 2024.
Okoma Radio 97.1.
Edwana Papa Francis Adeni Honorable Okol launch in a campaign na hold on audience Mutugwa na Papa Dr. Nyahunya Utamakulu founding member of the NPP Okopia CB na also the know this Etugwa chese party no adrubra man nyina ya mo nye opportunity na ya mo makwanya na promises nya dia ombe no very careful nyini nya no betimi meet there na he's there as a founding member of the NPP oni position bia na onye minister onye de kra onye hwekra no we founding member and you can't take it from him da mo for me am so sane ade no otimbi you can't take it from him na our friends and then mo nsa mo kan ya kwame o chere say be ya mom nyina equal opportunity na ye nko favor obi ene fanse yi mampane be de chere nam no bonto a o de Ghana car ye petrol any secret ni bia no de na mo bonto a ono na mi ono ana ye na arrangement ni ade eno na o ka ho asem no so obi ha ebia na obenya kwanya bi sana mena nyina na abekwa na GBC ne adasage dinati if say eno ka ho asem no ni nyina mu no what to just say a fractured MPP cannot break the 8 na kwa me pa say bia party nyina no nia kwa me ni say
aya senia o yewra adem no aka no say o ye founding member na say asem no baby say o de to ehwa na o de ato no migiri se ono so bem bia eyeye san se ya chichire ye no na chichire dia obemu a na ne kwan so ano no na mum me baby o de fire kakra na eyewe no se o se o mo chichire no na me na me ni hobi na me ye bete ye se busia dankwa domo na aya busia dankwa ene eye domo ni se chichire de fi wono mo de a ye yan tie se dankwa fo akọ busia fo akọ sena ka domufo no nti sa na tie dia yema equal opportunities dia se ne all can dia na equally se hwe na ne se omo ye no omo ye ana tu o kan se unblemished face na no kra eja party dia untimi nye party asabe o ye clean and there omo muka se another name for political party omo wotem bia omo de ma no se o person wo ya enye all that clean because me obi frame ka me say osofo unu se ba kan ho enye aso ne ba be ye na me say oh yeah minimum because numbers nso na dey to aba the numbers nso aso for ne kura nti omo mu nim say sebe party na ye no enye bibia na ye clean e wo ho and nti you need certain style and strategy to go in there and say obi aba ye kronkron krojin de enye ade ebesi onyane sa da biara da and sometimes you hard na sometimes we very very rugged stand be able to me ade akọ wanim is na yewura de mo kan so oba kronkron se ni sa wo ni fin bibia ni ho de a ade na ntimi si sa o David ana ne to sumi no say a fractured MPP cannot break the 8 no enti na ono so wom ti say opanyi enti ono so mo hwe na mo fa asomdwe ene kro ye emra se ade na abubu apro atete de a omo hwe na mo so mo kamom na yidi emra asomdwe mram se ne be ya breaking the 8 MPP for the ato man no omo so ombetumi I break 8 there be am ka sam say se oni obi ya de na se bi onipa no onwe a ana ohwe say kan ya ye bia na ko wanim aja no crossam ni nyame anim MPP for can break the 8 opposition awon ne ko sa no so ono so wafa de ato ne tim ono so wafa e de ato ne tim say so ono so ebebedi ni nchen ya ono so 8 ono so be break bi e sa na tie de a se ade no abubu apro na atete apansam de a ene na no crossam whosoever comes no adwuma ye papa
I want to say bia one of my mu no we na no ada to say COVID-19 who report free by accountant general by say auditor general
yeah
and it looks like
auditor
general reports by na who say near it stinks and bon pa enye papa and no ka safo ni bi esa ba so be di party ni ma obi nsa wom obi hu bom mu a na watch say obi so no ada ni moyi do won ka say bia oyebofo de do so say bia e bro be ni MP ni ema wi okoyi kwame pa fase ana prada what say ni din nam baby a kyerɛ sɛ wotomaseɛ ɛna ɔkyerɛ sɛ bia ɔhwɛ nipa a ɛgyina no a ɔpɛ sɛ saa afo no bi ɛna ɛyɛ na woafo sɛ wo ho ɛbɔn biribi mu no ɛfa ho ma matwitwi
ɛna meka sɛ maka term no say another name for political party is dirty ɔmo bi kan dirty game ɛkyɛ na bi a mpanyinfoɔ na soma yɛ mmeranteɛ kɔ dirty game no na bɛgyina so ɔndɔ yɛ kronkron oh munkɔ asemasi wei sɛ kwasɛm ɔno a nti no sɛ ɔno ahu sɛ nima bi wɔ mu no ɛnkɔ yie a sɛbe ɔne ɔnya no kronkron sa ɛno deɛ ne kwasɛm a meka ne sɛ ɛwurade anim da na ɔba ha wo papa no nyamfoɔ kama na mmom ɛntumi nkɔ saa sɛ kronkron krogyen saa paa deɛ ɛwɔ mu
kwame sɛ ɔkan no wanka to sɛ me ade ne mo meyɛ kronkron anaasɛ ɔyɛ futuro de ma sɛ a fractured ogwana anaasɛ pɔnkɔ a nenam obu a yɛkyekyere no
agya woni nipa 4 a sisi ɔmo din aba a sisi ade ne mo abɛka ho no kwasɛm no nyame anim yɛka sɛ yɛmfa ntoto nsɛne ani a ɔno na ɔkasa ma no ɔno ɔyɛ kronkron ɔno ɔyɛ korɔgye
nyamte mesɛ sɛ wawabu asɛm yi wosi nipa na ɔno ka ho hwɛ mu paa deɛ a ɛna na gye sɛ
ɔkasa
me no ka sɛ ɔno abɛka Japan ekura akɔka sɛ ameswalo train school fees pay na onya ban no onya akwanya enya flag bearer no benya Ghana mampani na seti bia no be kire o meku JB Danko Adu ene ameswale ama I don't know busuafo kwa beka say on form nu din enye politics I for so train school fees on fa
one ba kono no eno ehonte one
adasidie emra ne ade ehwe enti ye onom ni say on de ni nua no photo to ni TV ani ma ne enti all we are saying is ebia also hwe ne ono betimi aka fanso no bi kokun ase mem jam ho mem se me ho nye fedada mem se miti so mem se se o ka wi a empowerment na betwe ne bio mode ameswale se bi share me medical aka se me turn fees and no me ba me ba so metimi achi no kun ni ade nti ebedu be what experience
ono so baby ye hogotwotwo festival ye okoye ne se se bi aka asem bi atia anwonafo ne ade nti ye nwura ade ne mo kwasa ma no
ono aka se so hwe ne baby yese kwa kuna no ya nti o ka ne e bia beboa ono nso so
ɛna mse ade no kronkron nim saa nti ɔno ɔyɛ kronkron no
so wa so odi nipa na no de ka ho so ɔno wɔ nanim kyɛn wɔ
oh no krasam de me kwapem sɛ ɔba ha no na matini di na me nhyɛ da nim no na me hu no footprint bi anso wɔ party nim me de bia meka sɛ me papa nti mentumi nka sɛ me MPP ni mentumi nka sa me MPP ni besi ne na me nhyɛ da hu no footprint bia yɛ pa mo asɛ bi yɛnyɔ ho asɛm enka de yɛntam da mbotwe nkɔ yentam amo
na open no so be
oh on dey maintain mu nti yentam nko na papa de ni mo so open kronkron de onya na kronkron Davida na sometimes
obi aka na sem na wo dokron no na aka say okra onye part delegate ne ka say do ho kai no na omfo man nwi mu say aboa ne na mabu a ya kire no ontimi ntumrika ni nkunim yepo
na me say mo ho nya bebre na na mabubu
na kwam no wan kan ka be de ya bia ka so no onko ya obi enti okasama ne ho omu so kasama mo mami ana o ma eye frabra me ka say jani muja no che na no adanyam ne coach escape diwa na no adanyo na say enti waka ne ofo say ho ne o ne toto ho a obegina brani a chen omo no mo ko jan kwam no so oni so kasa
oh ene de na me ka say no waka ma no me na me ka say e chere bi so hwe nipa na ni mo ne de abono ya de abono ma achi I don't want to say popularity crowd because they do.
I want to say na no a omo call flavors one to so me sir.
Aja no kwasem mate sa asem no. Mate sa asem no.
One to so me sir.
Mate sa asem no.
To me I think say ebia uni very funny member yi Dr. Nyawonya Otamaklo akogina ho akotena asem. And I think say you know what will happen. Yes so to tia.
And we hum bia
Akropon Kapim Okuma Radio 97.1 Okuma Radio 97.1
Allow me make I enjoy. Allow me make I enjoy. All I want to do is have some fun. Allow me make I enjoy. Allow me make I enjoy.
Okuma Radio.
All I want to do is have some fun. Guess Sarah, what will be, will be. Say me, I can't come and kill myself. Call your girls, so I'm calling my boys now.
Kuma Radio.
Make we party, yo. All the drinks in the house. Allow me, make it enjoy. Allow me, make it enjoy. Allow me, make it enjoy. All I want to do is have some fun. Allow me, make it enjoy. Allow me, make it enjoy. Allow me, make it enjoy. All I
I went away for a while. Oh yeah, my son a boy. Grown I the West, I feel the water do. I go spend money for the club.
For you watching that. And a DK channel, then see you.
I go spend money.
Go on to my brother.
Me, I never want to be dull.
In the meantime, we can self-like construction real estate at Aroma. I don't see a for Emre.
Original bad man.
Somebody any penny because I say, well, this year, who are Kadia Bibri, your dear boy, your master, yet to for.
When I pull up, everybody come here.
Iron rods and the cement.
Bad man, I dey enjoy.
Iron rods and a cement and a marine boards and the plywood. Your blocks are who do you know, your 5 inches, 6 inches.
Allow me.
Solid and a hollow blocks in IOB.
Make it enjoy.
Upper bow and the
Allow me, make it enjoy.
the tipper trucks are holding a bit to make bro. Size up, PBR.
Allow me, make it enjoy.
Open so high track to be the question you be quiet or feeling be a contractor, but the abra off like construction real estate. Basi esi dan ye ton sa the man for and also ye jinamu brane. General construction works and also ye boy home body bebre.
I know till then I go happy.
Iron Ross open sizes bay. Open 5'8" and that's open the way. Cutter road and that's open binding wire. And then Nadwa nails. That door play go. Nobody had any penny come on Sansi. I should baby. I bear was serving a dancing because of come a dear mao. I'm on a crony head of his war. SB Hotel no post it and a boss must quapim. Confredia so ya boho.
I can't come and
any penny come on 0552 957198.
Calling my boys.
And 0594 635656.
All the drinks in the house.
0502 808 992 0279 012 954.
All I want to do.
Any penny come on. I see your property, our priority, and I pay your cow beams and Loma Vista Institute of Professional Studies. Loma Vista IPS. The idea to move out room and fear Quapima by a community center and one a police station, you know. As I'm saying, Quadan penny in a actual air passing. Open cell by the cultural, the business science, general arts, home economics, and visual arts. Then I cause I and I fancy ultimate register one from Form 1 to Form 3.
Look, everybody coming up.
Passes are short 100% and over.
They enjoy another. Well, no be lie, no be funny, no be alone. When I pull up, everybody.
Your technical courses, vocational courses, remedial, no deck. Yeah, be. But I don't make a more rest to
make her enjoy. Allow me, make her enjoy. Allow me, make her enjoy.
You could buy Sasha, Siena, and Crate, be a better form to my Bobby.
Make her enjoy.
And I'm a child, 0246 246 875.
All I want to do is have some.
0243 976 685. My Mr. IPS and educate, challenge, and inspire.
Very soon it go be better. We go see the sunshine.
Kwame Breme.
Yo. No pay.
I
was it? Yeah, me and I mean, film.
You. Young Queen.
Nana, that Roma. The commending. And I pay now. You the Mukopim. Oh, yeah. Koja Farmer. Kojak Oracle and Procode. Wamada Roma. And then now Yakopimu. Oh, Honomo. And I pay me bay. And Ubia. And I'm a Titu. A year. Brush in a swap. And then a slow FM, a post near Abba, now you did 3 years in a day, let me conquer, and one Kojak, charcoal toothpaste, and a toothbrush, a boa papa, I'm a numeral at sea, and you say, was snatching Namu Yading, now would be Tria. Mamma, just now to me and son, come on, see a chin number a day, if you're Senan Casansono, a bear the board more, and not and Kaka crown and noom, what the charcoal. Toothpaste and a brush, no, edit more no more, and a bad decongestion. Come on. I'm on home to me at all. And what you know, we are now the one more sensitive mouth bath, maybe a consume Kakrabi, Numa, Najaudia, General Numa, with a Simabako, at the Cotetta Beze Diasano. Now, what pogu, when the son of Pavia Numre, where we Kakabia, Shebe, Binia Debiano, or Munina, Baby Guasi, I'm on home to me at all. No custom, a dream. Empanyini etumi edibi edijuma emo France so ebetumi dibi adjuma na ade nyina tumi akonkan eno achi no say bia wuti na bo dwandwandwe 190 awia no mo amoton dokun na nsen dokun no kra mo frefre nkrofo aso abeto isan say obi adidi once a day and the dokun kosi woni odi ba ko a gese anwumre enti na nsen mo amo frefre dokun mo amo pa mu so ekwa egba mi ayesu o yes ice cream ade besa na wuti ya wo ya papa and the Procode no e de aba. And you come say gra na wonya nsuo guso a wona okono bajo ya mo hwe na mo fra no nso a wo mo tini sebe wo mo hwene mo so nsuo ne ade no mama mu bia mo nkenkan ho no ne doctor na atwero no na wa ye ne sa kama na ba bia akoto no e wa atwero no wadi so kama na de nyina atumi akonkan e de amount no kwasem adroi drug source ahodo nyina no ebi e ho no na nsan de ye nkase ma paracetamol ye kase ma me Procode PROCOLD as ade nyina atumi akonkan e de amount enkran okanshi drug lane ho na dodo no ebutu kwajibi na de nyina ntumi enko ye emfa amount koja farmer osia pomuden e faribai eneno anwachi Blessing and Greatness Ventures na just what here inshira ni yedie nkoso omaso ene ho adanse ho niema na afi se wakonya uncompleted building bi na pese osisi mu na emutija kwame de beka na baby girls ne ba omatiaka oso otiaka me so ni dentra na sade ina timi akonkan de amount dia akon Blessing and Greatness Ventures and your bema TNG made in Ghana quality corner modes na wodi asisi wodan ni kama very plywood ngeto akese eni adantem tiles talent cement na talent chemicals ni na no ebi e ho no ene ho akade ye bia ho na de abedan wo mo afi security doors apono kama ya akronfo ntimi mubu enko wie ho na bi ene mo ewo ene wachi paint washable acrylic paint and mi do nyame paint papa ope blue ope white ope brown ope jese color bia ope bia no paint no kwa obenya bi ewo aso ho no mo afi ope se o twinsuo ba ofi me kire dro ben a yede twinsuo no water tank and ho akande nyina no obenya bi our Blessing and Greatness Ventures aso ye omo wa akuapem eye abutachi omo ne gas filling station no and a bonchen mu bomodi ada na ne omo ninsa woso no be bo apa na de nyina timi akonkan de amount 0244 50 7310 0244 50 7310 na fe 0206 670 009 0206 670 009 Blessing and Greatness Ventures se adepa ene ton eye ne ho JDK Adom Enterprise na what enterprise na se ade eson papa omdi dwuma omo ya ade o JDK Adom Enterprise omo ya ade papa omo no eye nade na omo ton no eye ne atwam aburuchi na omo de aba na omo gina ho na omo ye expiring date na eche ewo ti se da na enwu ye open cement nadoa iron rods eno achi iron and galvanized pipe na omo de ye container yi ope bia okoho no ma obenya bi afi square pipes, round pipes, angle pipe no na husuo ene se na yetie na ye bobo so e de ama no tukwa se odan no se square one na waka kire no so me square pipe obe ma eno achi ni one flat bar and afi rods ahodo quarter rod, half rod, full rod, rods ahodo nyina no omo obi e wo no mo eye ahye e wo no mo wonu so butu mampo akuapem kofu nim wubu kofu na kowura mampo nkuro nim no adaba fana ya mudu wa monto mbo ase to de bia no mo de ayon woro satintin aba emema na sum no mo ye koguo to wutie speed ne so ahwe a ogokum nipa to bo ase wudu ho no mo to bo ase kra bibia wa frem panyini 0244 42 95 33 0244 42 95 33 and after 0244 857 874 JDK Adom Enterprise identify him baako eno no simwe mra ho beto adansi woni ma nyina no mo de mo ne mo ati agresi eja
producers at Tom Hogu Chrome na ye say sabeka na yetimi ahu say the price of petrol me come because from 1st of February and also increment near the other but 1st of February no so kwa mun see ato ayimo or they say can you move about 30%?
Yeah, no question say sane o na pa oni opanyi bia ye interviewer waka sane ma bi ro ho na betumi aye na oman no ye ho atumi ahen na anapai davani a odeme koye medanase o se ya ni atusu na so ye nka hwe yansa sanka ya atusu yi ana ye to adwuma efo so akatua mu ne ade de a eja ene de anka ha adwen sanka adwuma yi no vale se enkane woje be se bia teacher ni jibe se 2000 na sabi woje 3500 a enkane no 35 million na oto shenti ade so na oto fam wo enso eso a na katua no koso nti nka hwe na we de ya to so be se empre be se miensani fi afra ewura mu etwa mu ani ba be wura mu ye nti ye kura ni ye to so no akobe se mprensa ana wonte se adwumafo so akatua no wonte se ya to so nti ba sa no a na obu nipa na bra ne so ezane se akatua ba ko na ode ko no eno an okura mu na mo niema oto no so sura na eko ana shentiade ka shentiade ne fa ngo no ne bo no kwasoro pe eja eka bibia ono ni $1 no shentiade no ene fa ngo no so to no ni $1 no se eka $1 no a eka bibia ene ka ka shentiade ene eho fa ngo no a eka bibia enti aka sei ocha na ade kyen e be se edwamfo esu ezan se obetena kai mu akwa asenema obetena kai mu akwa madina obetena kai mu ade akwa nkran na hola so won fa nche sanso no ankasa no petrol no ye fa nche no anenti ana person ne owura bi kasa ye no se na bi ro honma mpanyini betumi aye na ye ho ahan aye omonhwe no mo ye sa de no ma na ja unim ayi prepaid ye kura ye to prepaid no kwato a si at 13 cd o Mr. Mito, as I may to 50 Ghana. Answer me kwa bosu me kakra. Says yes, okotwa. Yet to 13 cedi. And the sabri akwasuri. Says you bet me 15. Yet me boa mo. Yes. Ane. Anenti yesrem panyini. Ana danu ya kwa
na ebedi akire ne mpani ahye ne na chano makasa. Na ye hunu say what is going on. And I praise for once watching kwada bonfo akwamkafo dumienu so ebedi ehon komo na I don't know praise for no makasa obre enti Jesus statement on beba no na yenye bia kasa munsa no pe na ye ko na mse
ane police panyin ni kire se wincha na memo ne di wincha na no pe o chese no kwasam homo ya police for there na ye mo mun kasa no kasa wo man kasa no ha wo isan sensem bi wono mo a komo so mo ka bia no mo a cheche na manfo no kura enso age wo mo edi enti ne koba ye no ye frɛ oje yeso pa ene obisa onunyanfo bella senia ura no je yeso na okuma radio da no betwa mu ho me hu mu ne ade mani gisa me no bekasa na emom sabre no ye ma ye nkwan se ye nkasa giso ninyamfo da mparepe da woroma ono pe ne kasa
na se ne PRO no
na se ne PRO no ono pe na eye okasa
Grace and Sacrofi
ampaje yo
ono ni director of public affairs
ampaje nti wo hwe
emre yeninka so ka DS kwasi for you abo position apa pen yo
is na se kura ni di ase okọ pension
ese adwuma de wo mu anema miensa enan na be kan ada say obe retire and I say wa obe resign and I say you be fired and I say you die anema phone ba ko be kan okay
uza adano me ka say papa bi a ye ma no panyin wo emiami krom na won fi obi a advice mashai na say wo sit down wo play the park na chi no e na je say emo no 9 de na emrante ne wo e park ne so omudi agro say okodu ho ne hu say ujafo na aba okura cement na referee no bo abem prepare ya pon cement o iron rods o akanesi kanem aniti we baby na say oh me de me nko manya tumi tintintintia be abedwane agya mo police for na say mo ye nanfofo ndika na yesi na gaja wa cheche mu de amaye kama yesi da no kura no wasa ho no mo abrante bi so nyuntuni wi obi akuno eno so wo mo achi abrante no keep coast important mo nanka ni nyina no nanka sabre mpanyifo kasa no mo kasa na ehun se ne
ekofa statement on the aba any or say 1st February 2023 Public Affairs Directorate Police Headquarters Post Office Boy 116 Accra or say press release police have arrested police arrest 12 organized crime suspects for their involvement in hijacking, robbery and murder cases across the country. The police have arrested 12 people who are members of an organized crime syndicate involved in series of carjacking, robbery and murder incidents across 3 regions of the country. 2. The arrest follows a sustained intelligence-led operation by a special police team which mounted surveillance on the activities of the gang between July 2022 and January 2023 in the Greater Accra, Ashanti and Eastern regions. The suspects, Prince Opuni, Kwabna Cheba for Jeffrey Jomo alias Jeff, Clifford Opoku alias Spider, Samaladum, William Ansa, Benadu Jemfi, Anthony Tawia alias Wizzy, Andrew Kwame Wusu, Musa Sule, Jawa Champon, Charles Lutrot, operated guns and attacking their victims, take over their cars, which they then sell to others. Investigation into the activities of the syndicate revealed that suspect Jeffrey Jomo shot and killed one of his victims during one of the hijacking expeditions at Bofuedru near Ahinema Kokoben. During their operations, the police recovered 10 vehicles believed to have been snatched by the gang from their victims. The police also retrieved 2 foreign pistols, 1 revolver with 10 rounds and 38 special ammunition, and a Ruger foreign pistol with 11 rounds of 9mm ammunition, together with a cash sum of 10,000 Ghana cedis. It goes ahead to number 6. All 12 suspects are in police custody, and efforts are underway to arrest one other suspect who police have reasons to believe facilitate double vehicle documentation for the syndicate. Number 7. Police are in touch with most of the victims who are assisting the investigation, and efforts are underway to contract the remaining victims. We wish to commend the police team who demonstrated resilience and patriotic commitment during the entire period of the operations. Grace Ansa Krofi, Assistant Commissioner of Police Director, Public Affairs, undersigned. Kwame.
Yo, anapa what is a yura KB or Ribro Funduguma, Nitiawa and Tintin and say a pretty for Abom Homoden, Aso, a Merma, a Dumunu, Emua, Womono, Sabi, Chrono. Chronotecha mwa chrono ache se itu da so ne se kan gina hu bi na wono mo ebo wo mo de ne se ukura kai se efe na omaje eno ana mpofo bi so yi epolitifo aso tira wo mo duo mo ntenta emrante eye dumienu wo mo nsa atumi aso wono mo epachi na emrante adwumadi no wo mo duo mo ni tum pempe no eye enkrampopuni mantemu ana fu epi mantemu ana sa adwumadi no ekoso a wo mo bom ho empempa wo mo etumi ache eye emranti na edinya wo mo de ma ye no yewura abobo ni nyina Prince Opuni Kwabena Cheibafo Jeffrey Jomo ana hotedin no eye Jeff afi eye Clifford Opoku a ono ye friend Anansi Spider ano Anansi ana afi Samuel Adom William Ansa Bernard Edu wɔn twerɛ mu a bebree a wizi no mu nyinaa ɛwɔ hɔ no mu a kyerɛ sɛ wɔn dwumadie mu di ano sɛ wokura kaa na wɔn atumi agye afi wɔn nsam na nea ɛkɔbaeɛ ne sɛ ɛberɛ wɔn di wɔn dwuma no a no aberanteɛ baako ɛtɛn na kyerɛ sɛ wɔn a wɔpɛ sɛ ɔgye kaa no wɔsɛ memfa ma wo no wɔato no tuo di makum na kyerɛ sɛ aberanteɛ no atɔ nananom ɛwɔ nseɛ do na polisifoɔ ɛsɔ mmeranteɛ pɛ akyi no nneɛma bi ohun wɔn ho ebi ne ɛyɛ etuo yi a ɛto du baako wɔn nya bi ɛwɔ ne ho ɛwɔ mo ho ɛna afei nneɛma nketenkete bi sɛ etuo nketewa yi bi a wɔn kwasi buroni bɛka wurafo yi a wɔn de dua ewu ne ade wɔn nya bi wɔn pɛsɛn nketewa yi nso no wɔn nya bi ɛno akyi no wɔn nya sika ɛyɛ 10,000 mpem du pepe du ɛna edu nso ɛda akyire a wɔn agye fi wɔn mo ɛho na polisi mpanyin no ɛkyerɛ a mmeranteɛ no wɔn aso mpa akyi na nhwɛmu ɛrekɔ so kama polisifoɔ no ayɛ adwene sɛ baako a ɔde ne ho aka ɛyɛ nwura no wɔkɔ no a saa bere wɔn mpɛ na kyɛ kwan no wɔn bɛ mu mie wɔn ani a wɔn sa so no mu na wɔn sa so no mu nso a nea ɛsɛ wɔn yɛ bi a ɛbɛma ɛyɛ yie atumi ato yie polisi adwuma no mu no wɔn bɛtumi ayɛ ma amanfoɔ nso ho atumi ahan ɛyɛ wɔn mu wɔn ka ɛde akyerɛ wɔn amanfoɔ ɛne ɛyɛ tìmɛnfoɔ nyinaa sɛ polisifoɔ no wɔn da so gyina wɔn ɛnan so na asɛm wei nyinaa no yɛ maame Grace Ansa Akurofi maame wei bi so bɛfi ɛprɛ de pɛɛ ɔno ne assistant commissioner ɔyɛ ɛdema Ghana Post adwuma no na afei ɔyɛ director public affairs na ɔde nsɛm nyinaa ɛde to ɛyɛ dwa nti na akɔ a polisifoɔ nsa so akorɔmfoɔ dumienu mu ɛno no
kwame yɛda se aka minutes no bɛsɛ aduonu sia 26 minutes na abɔ no ndunia sɔre so mene woka sɛ yɛhwɛ anim sɛ nsa bɛka producer ɛne napamfo ne atie amaneɛbɔ a ɔmde bɛbrɛ kwame ayi wohwɛ yɛfrɛ ne sɛ report bi a yɛbɛbaaba kwame
aya
wode yɛde bɛhyɛ fridge mu ɛkyɛ bɛyɛ ho adwuma saa ɔkra nsɛm no mayɛ sɛ
madi akyire mekɔ bi ɛm sɛ ɔmo ahyia mpanyini no ba ɔsɛ ɔkyena ne nti
akyɛ bɛdi ɔkyena ne nti mekɔ ahoma so ɛbɛbakyɛ wɔte me ka
hello chairman
kwame machi
chairman and okay my minister nje osubi na yema chief of Abasambra okuma 97.1 okuma nkatase chairman and okay me no ka say senior tu gwa ma wetie fu no wa shop no ya we pie mu man fi total aha ana na no pay ye nyina nim se nche ana ebetu gwa say eni no Ghana yem fango nsem mpanyifo atumi atum aisha say nra on the 1st of February record interne anope yaba be mu ha yehwe se ene ni mpanyifo ewa nso no ye ne won bedi nkomo na nchechemu kakra ewo ho no ene won so no atumi e de amaye se ene no 1 gallon water na he won atum ana se ene no price ana bode down na wodi yin eno ena so ejina na chama tena ameno campaign ye be so panyin fa ono so no ewo ayema fi total filling station ha na baako abie mi nti no yentumi fani
kwame omo abie mu
chairman obepue mu wo abie mu ba se ne ankomo no etifa ekona na se ebe fo so nkomo no nti no na eko eri ade nti enya ade a eno so no ene yi no mpimpa mi no ka se no adwum ne kakra se na ebe ya
okay omo tai ere to ho pa omo ne allied fo nya de to enti kwame ko anim
nti se na America no ba ko abie mi nti yentumi fani din emfa ntu gwa ade komo wa ti ade nti aha enti chairman ben na senior de bia wo ye no wo nsem ba ko bia wo betu gwa ade ama no no nti jem kakra ono so ade aba
that's up any moachi
nua
yo senior mi yana keno ti bia bi nti ye for din tugwa odaroma petrol no supply na ba ebi wo ho
yo bi
both super and diesel.
Yes, please.
Motor kerosene.
Bajose.
Motor kerosene.
Kerosene.
Okay. Yeah, Mr. Say ebo no asate Joda eba no. Joda na ya he ene ntumu ahe na aba. E be se hu ntumu ni ade aba no.
Okay, now first now petrol ne boy 61 cedis 20 pesos. And so it's on about 70 to 65 pesos per gallon. You see, so Utifrima Obanya 9 cities 45 pesos different.
And just a 1 gallon born a walking. 1 gallon born a wobosi.
But I say
1 gallon born no.
1 gallon petrol is now say 70 cities 65 pesos.
Na bribe na mutom bribe na ejoda na entumi baaye no.
On the first.
Just say enroya. Na diesel so asam to say.
Almost only the tum kakra, but diesel ne there are omutum instead and endorse to say petrol.
My diesel there anyway say you fan so where there.
I say that diesel near 71 cedis 10 pesos.
Na ya he
71 cedis 10 pesos.
And now what on say ya me boa.
Yo.
Na answer never 71 no na mo ton say dada no.
69 is 84 pesos.
Okay.
It's out different to a difference near 1 cedis 26 pesos. Normal tum. Per gallon.
Na kerosene so I na basa nkrasifo eto na omo so no ho de so kane anom ni ade e ho ase nso omutum
da me ono de baby na agina
se se no gallon ya he
se se de gallon ya 74 cedis 48 pesos
kerosene wa hu
kerosene
74 cedis 74
cedis 48 pesos.
Oh yeah. Arapa na driver for ne ba matum no omo ensemble na omo ka.
Oh, yensan kam ncheshembia ye every drivers no so.
Omo for complain bia ma omo bisa hwe ombo moto.
Da bi.
Na wa woton bi na yetutu mu koba ne ade woten ka sei.
Oh, now so say na ma says na ebe form.
Sales na ko form wo.
Yeah, says na ebe form.
And any say bia obana say obeto 200 so timdo be bia 100 and 150 enye za.
Sa pepe.
Na wadaruma yebetumu amu ekwan faso ndawa for ne kasa bia yebetumu mu de signboard na bia mu de microphone mo sa mo speaker kese bi si ho mo yere na maka chom si yebetumu na obeba na atum oba na atiso na atiso
sa
arabai yebeda
so yo ha na ayi ansa na mo de ayi price na at the breast yanton ne si
and the basa no ma just machine say be betimi aton za anya za.
Hello Chawan.
Yo Kwame say wa konko ne kra wa ya de ma say mo the cancel akọ all the say star I on ma so etwagu baby a wugina no we say ne ekọ na dawa for no say score for mo ba na say why dry.
Chairman, I think say many who come cars by a num question here once wa ba bebu full on be and so our will petrol bubu diesel so ebu na pimpa men o ka say send our car no I was total we be fit total na fi so no yakọ star oil na on so no yakọ bita send ya no so in 785 etobare saka driver full go amaminko driver full bi wona also no yenko din kombo kaka emfanfa na won so no won na sika editor sa fu won kemo en so no edi adwuma na bi za o se ene ya increment na ba no won so no wo fa na den ewo adwuma nim ane ne aban so se ya ono so edi aba no ano so no ebi bi sa o se ano so se en so no etere so no tomo se ne ka no de bete o ti didi we ti sa aye lorry station no onu se dwumadi ahoro na so no ekoso a didi da betu etero
yetemase mu komanim yo
jama no temeka
eto nka pa ko anim
okay ete we taka driver furu bi wa ha be ko ni chene me bizano ni dim so a taxi driver so a truck driver and so be tu gana e bizano ene abande aba petrol ya tum and so fa ne ba so udi
ba se Bala Muhammad make a taxi run a cropon a ducum a brie. Messiah, Kofodia, station master. Oh.
In Tumaba, me just say what did I petrol want to this and want to but
I never petrol does the money I want to, but fair because on me ever to fair ma, if we top, and then I be doing her, and so what me, yeah, to match you, to me fire into ampen funnel into me.
Now, what to me, a name was still set today,
and no crack, no quenny, and yet. And that the whole damn year, my poor Miss 55 cities. 55 the whole damn year. I've made a gas. I not I. Some that go to a macan. Can't say we be say I'm there for no quenny. Yeah, bread. Oh, yeah, bread food Nadina Yatum. That to be PM. Yeah, enough from Kaya bread. Into a slab buying somewhere. Slab buying somewhere. Now, be from my name to me everything coffee. Sabi therefore when you be our or you money at it. Just say before I eat the coffee. Now upon the whole now 55 I ain't the better gas. Would I hear coffee? I could share if you are buying some more than on way.
The chairman not say driver for the beat and anyone who wants them to go to Monaba, but I want to lorry film here. It's a number in his sales home. Aqua wedding at the amount over post the God coffee in the survey. So your car not all your move you cry. I know there no master. Now he not to the coffee. Aqua we chop money. I know. And also I say oh about to be at the back now some I could buy for
I mean I'm say Ejumana na mo bon ekoye pa enti perfo na ye ne ono so to aso
Mr. driver back on so ha me call in ten me bisa ni dim so he trotro driver so taxi driver and also ade atuga but odin
me din di ohene matro me ka chisi na me nsura na emoni pa yo defo ntumu no aba ne de ne kware e ha oyem bibiri na ne how ye ne say so what to fuel so 10 pesos we use so 10 pesos kra e ko radio station nyina mo bi ate say won ato fuel so passenger for car on Oberham what one ato so na fair no ana mu yi so but what to fear obia in kan ho asem title media for mo kan ho asem so what you see what be you fair see one ato so bebre kakanga nila nkwa de 2 cedi 10 pesos and what they abeto so now so obia nkasa modin nti edi enya se obeye adwuma obepon no bekofie na uniska what have you what said about for the we premier nti e meya se wo ne wo yere wo ho a we say ode twempra now so obepon na fuel a wato no na emu ye din se say fuel na ye to ye fuel nkwa na ye to driver fo ye to pass count spare pass count wo gba boso kan ya obeye de se wo ngayi so wo yi so ye oyo ayedi kaka wo process ya total ebru 200 Ghana cedis wo be top fixer Peter ni obetwa nti ya slaba ni so onhwe mayen ana se what to fair no so ya emra edi asan what to lole fair no so no e hawo yen bebre ene wo yi su na wo se ne wo yi so ba what to see abeye na what ko na what abien na won fa fair mai se insurance kura be bi akwa kodu no anu ye din roadway won ato bibi aso na ne ya wo no se mra wo yi no wo ka se fuwa no wo yi so driver fu yi so no won ankasa modin ade tomfu da so tom se ne wo tom pepepe se akura nto so atan aba so nso driver for the one ye na enya obi be furu car ni sika on so akura pim na ne e won se ofro ha 250 pesos so se mi kura 2 cedi e ya 3 cedi o se mi kura 2 cedi ne wo ha no nso no ne aba ne wo ko todo kuro ba ko ya 3 cedi ta untimi ka so be ma no 2 cedi anso lo le fe de bia wo yi so eni yan ha wa ye wo ye be sra ba ni se fu e no o yi suma ye o hu ye mo gbolo yi suma ye ye be sra no kaka be tuma ka no mi di do yin na ejuma ne tere na ropa no ba no ejuma ne tere
anopa me ba mi bedu hase mi lodu o manfin akwa edu kro mekropon ma akwa ekropon ba akopɛ ba mi gidi se samli no ndu kwa akɔbɔ na so ba akopɛ na makɔ efi akwa ekropon na ye 40 50% ni yeje na so be si da sa 40 50% no anyi na menya ba akopɛ na makɔ nti ejuma no enye de na obeye adwuma be 300 Ghana cedis we kwapem ha na ye unu nyame uwie a na watan akwa akɔtɔfu we be more than 200 one talk 220 250 we beto na sika na hin na ka won sem na adi bia kofi akoma ka wona nti ye best na ye ma apemfo no so no mo ma ye nya ilo fe na ye pe ana misika nsu misika ka se ye wo bi no mo ha won a se de biara wo sika nso enye da koro ofro ha ne ha misika no so ofro ha ne ha misika so nti mesre se na ku apemfo ye wa ha no omuti okoma a mo hu se lo fe no ye so ye bre 50% no one city na yezin say ya see even for your phone e betuma e top money am aye nti e best rekakra e da ma say alright tere chawan komana na yeguso ne driver for no ensoro edi misaka driver ni ba ko arusoro abebo ni dina bi kakra wo karo no so aka batodi
yeah me dey for research me wo manfe taxi station ya me taxi na me dey ma se me ye ba kwa na ebi ya kasa ya bre mede ni amepesa bang na yense me pese oyi petrol no so oyi petrol na petrol no ba fem na lolo fe no so na ne bua ye den anu so tumi ba fem no bi ekure sika kakra bi a watumi afroka esa ne se lolo fe ne bua ye den ti ene school fo pon school a wonam kwa hu na yenso ato petrol e de agu ka nim na ye de car na nama obi andu afroka na yenso ye ko hwi sa enti e besa bang ne se ontumi yi petrol no so na yensu yi lolo fe no so bi se o man no emu ayde wo kwa adwuma na wo pon adwuma wo be check petrol na wo be use station na ka uska be se 20 to 15 ya wo ma enso ne yere na mo ne ade ewo fie enne wo bu school fu books bebe gentlemen to abufa tikiti books aw ye beto na bo ya den enti ye be sa man so man ni ma yese enti no anye bibi emfa ya dama
yes ya da since chawan o ti driver for ene no once one sama to go trima amani ma so wo besra ban no se ne no fuo ano ana wodi du wonjuma entin su vi ha won so ento so emfa ma na won so sabi adwuma wo ye no won sa entumi enko waro trima ma bebre kura ma ebi kura yere no obekọ fie na sabi wanya bibi amfa ma na yere ana mofra aya na adimura ana ebufu ana ebefi enso no e ka ho bebre ebi ma ware ya de egu esan se emia no bi feel se ana yere no bi feel se ne kuru be ba wa fa chopo na ogobisa o te ne menya bia aya na emia na adwene se sabi obo adwuma no di zika na eden afa bi na so entesa ni nya efu a ne bo akosoro ane ka mbi na arunso no wotumi enye se o nti driver fo no rodo na won sama ene anopa won so no wode atuga tamo ebe fam da ko premo star oil so na won so ne bisa won se won so no na anopa be enra on the 1st of February ebe pem ene no and also esese no enso eterenga increment aba ana tuma aba ade fa yemfu ho no won so no wo je ne de titabo de be ko na no so no da ko to aso ma uche mesi ma ba ko a ano so ne be twa ho aba na ni no star oil fo so no ye no wedding command anopa
kwame anapai yebeda asene adwumaden a wabo kosoa na epim kwanim yewo atwen yetwen sebenya star ye for de no na yede ato aso
tamo
kabna na kwame posed na anapai wabo hwi ani team no akopie mo mafia ode ho amane eboy no kwado akode so moto no agya isunti pe ye betu
agya meja twi na mom se na bidi kankan se director to da bia woni yenko yetena wo de mu ni nyina na be ko accounts mu ana anhwa na bedu be we kan se madawro ba fedi ni aye no mu betene mu a is all the time mame enkame na mu eka eya adofo menuano mu a omo ede ka edi mu trench ni ade no eka omo madafo bi wo a ono wa mankrofo work campaign ni ade omu nyina no ebeka ewo no se enkane na petrol yeto no 13 cedi 60 pesos na ene eko 15 cedi 25 pesos it means 2 cedi 25 pesos credit kusukra no enya de wa ana o sesi anu baby am site am wa making kan LPG gas anhwa na otwemienu ntem na so beko soro na otwemienu ntem eno so ebeko esoro na sense ane mani nyina akosoro na medical kan eka bibia se sesi anu se ne o mani mu emu aye den akwakodu no se one cedi kura yira wani bre one cedi kura eyira wani bre enti se ne driver ni no kire ne ade no empanyin betumi aye hu bibi enti omunye hu eye bibi titia diesel no ohwa eno nso akoko enkane na nka wo 1590 is about 1552 to 1590 eno so ohwa asem yegusu no enya hi bia na mom wo mo nto ne baako o de wadwene bu say ne guse bia 40 pesos 50 pesos a wa hwa obedi hu abro esan say 40 pesos by makoma 10 obo won mo to 10 gallons 410 40 ayes ka ketwa etumi enema bebre nti panyini hwe na omonte omoyehu bibi enfama ye okenkan bia site amoti sia say enche na wotwe mienu ntamu no nso no LPG gas so ebetumi akosoro efi 7% recopme 13% na izaja enche bia sene okase da no de cylinder no kwese okobu na wonya no 1.100 ebia 20 no ebia kwase de 150 ana ekonti ba bia ho no makokudu no ana medical aka no mpanyi betumi ayense se sa na tie dia adwuma efo teacher fo lawyer fo nurses and doctors no omoto market you no nkoso and na otu mu dia and na nozi engo
I mean we have idea obidia to o say we gold for oil go you go there dey kwaje oil ni ne e dey make yi
aja I know gold for oil no papa bi e dey me fi onyanfo ni din o say abanfa krata wo de koye no o fa ma kire gantimamfo say me de krata e bia say ne koye me tro so say gold no me de 20,000 tons of gold and am de koye and am me ko ji eye oil no na say farm wo no me so me ko ji eye e bia barrels be say 200 krata bia na so opanyin so be court me no fit di kakra o no nyanfo pa doctor bibi so asibe o se bibi o say krata bia na so enti say wo ka say wo de 20,000 tons and e koye na o de ko ji mfan say 2 barrels at the breya saja ene na otwe mienu ana ne ye kwaji ba ene kra no ye na otwe miensa enti ahwe bedu ba bi ye gold ni nyina besa na o yere nso ye nya bi na otwe miensa o yere de ene na ani na hia ya tumi say first consignment na ba first consignment ne ba ye no ani na otwe mienu ye ana ye to fuware isu anka first consignment aba na ye hu be hide anka sabre ye hwan so anti gold for you no opanyin bi mene na ya adwene se mpanyin fa krata e da ho no emra enti mehwe ko yakoji na e ba ye na yato fan wo so yi
kwame aman be ye
ejo man be ye ba jo wan breso
aman be ye
opanyin ajekum na ye ne lectures bi na opanyin obi man za so opanyin asori be ye o bishop brain breso anti oman we ye no one person panyi aja wo mo ebu man enye sebe papa hwe akwa bi na oman hwe mo sawo enye akwa hwe akwa bi na oman hwe empanyi fu nim de wo mo nim de ebi omo amakọ Oxford University nim ne ade akosua ade wo Lincoln nim ne ade wo de brofoto wo mo zam ampa nu ni wo mo na esabi wo mo chacha nti aja one person
kwa mo hwe a year or said despite fuel cuts presidency spent 51 million Ghana cedis on fuel between January to September 2022. And okay, I can't know.
Yeah,
51 million.
Of a pay tasa just a bro. What do I know? Can we hear that?
Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio.
Yo, Kofi, oh man, ya woman, oh man, ya mama, Geni baby, ako, wacha, ya wareni, one some, one pa, asa de pa, of you.
Okuma Radio.
Oh man, ya woman, oh man, ya mama, ade waya no ra. Chada, Yamana Rena, one so, one in pa, so I wanna be. Yamo Yambera, if you had one so, one in pa, as I did.
Okuma Radio 97.1.
If you had come on, if you had Okuma
right, so man, be a year from me no, just about 2 minutes to 8 of our thing. Let's quickly go the phone. And Kwame. Kwame, I'm baby. We are not getting through. Kwame.
Yeah, Chairman.
I feel it's
Sanya yedi kan ya no the petrol who sense fuel who sense e dey abrate if we have pay more style you sanya kan say baba now style you so pay for no et me bi tawo sanya na one price is no ejina sanya tumo na ba no enti ne ejina style you me no ka say saka ye opeyi pa ba ko e wa hanuma aron so no na kwa ni nche na ye bi sa no say ene me ye dey say tumo no wati esa senra abepema ne akwa n'anim won so sene antumu no wo fa ne fa ni din bia no mpese obebo ni din so obo ni din so akwanda wa no so abe na chama ne sembisa ba kwa bie no so da so aso dia open ye mo akwa ba from Akuman Radio no that na arope ye ba ye boni it is what is your radio so and TV so need to know Akuman Radio say ni no full prices no aban no adi ntuma aba aban no mo fa ne den mo so mo prices no mo tum ana ni gina
oh ya tum kakra you see 1 gallon here 67 what
say no petrol ana so
petrol no mutu doesn't the normal one ya omuntu doesn't petrol no mutu
na mo nton kerosene ana so
nton kerosene petrol and diesel
na ntumu ne ban no ada afo no ba wo complaints bi awon na say onyinyi elephant to mono
o complain but where they can no spark and kwanda they are better for it is enko am better
so azoma over this well say car no o spark and kwanda where they are full no where they over to me so ba kwa bi arobeto so man say driver for no ba na won so wonya kwan enko to anwa adwuma so chairman
yeah be say omoton gallon no say wo mo ho
but
a gallon no any motor na ya
petrol 67 cedis
motor 67 cedis
mba show you
and diesel no ya he
diesel ni 68 diesel 68 yeah
oh yeah just say bibia no as a staff for no modern wo fam kakra what's the secret what's the secret and modern fam the way
oh customers ya junior customers no that's the only thing yes secret customers ya junior mo
oh yeah and pay you better see
me that's it boss
etero chama na you say I don't know ana na pay also what you chiruma sao yo chiruma eze ni original one customers so ntina nya so we ni chinchin dia nti anu so no ana na pay chama no dia ba ntina meja mu ada mo studio na aka bia nso no nso dia ba
Kwame you better see and pay ni adwuma so amabo e dia mai ye behwe manim o studio yo I promise kwe no on say bribia no say star no for whatever reason say profits in fantasy di no o me anoma hwom ne so kakra say be Ashen California de no ho be ha wo mo enti and probably o mo petrol nam 67 and diesel nam 68 but we other areas you be looking at 70 and 71 any ade but
ejaba bi no ye
ya mo enu kwambruni abaso ono any CEO Penia or that style no ofra predi na enu Frank so bobi wo de wo ha western president ni adna em say omso momodin adwan kwapemfo ene ekwantufo ho pa ye
ejaba bi no 70.55 pesos bi e tro kan no na baby so yenya 69 and I had ya 67 and 58. I just say, oh yeah, start your dear no. Yeah, 3 CD 55 pesos be petrol no echi and I win so no 2 CD 22 pesos be so echi kama. Now gold for oil na kan no nearby no yenya 41,000 metric tons. Now 41,000 metric tons no. Now one more enim fuel no send you use no kire say no ebema na otwe mensa pepepe na asa 41,000 metric tons no ebema na otwe mensa pepepe na asa ntia hwa 41,000 na otwe mensa bia no e say e di gold no do echo na ekoje 41,000 na opanyin na kire say 41,000 metric tons no dey atro dia bre na gold na e de koye no na e ya he na good yeah
say be do score na any penny dey come kwa na pay na ase na ye fancy yakopon bo achina e be say hia ha ana pay me did Kofi Anson ba for be
aja wo say Kopak for no patch o say mama driver for na ade ento omo shenti ade anim
achina be me did Kofi Anson ba for be to me KB ana pay fa za kese ma DJ Ziggy and DJ Donzi ni na moa omaboa Bella Pon access producer and pay and Kwame Adi and pay Kevin or boy pa pastor Zutsana me dey kan say mo bro yes sorry Yakopon bo achina ye be sign ehia yes sorry no na and pay ye sign the chair more den ama ye tie for any ahefo ni nyina mu no ye hwe where is this one ye dey show yi any birthday and no shipa Emma Jaden Kwabena Minta of Godiva International School, 7 years old boy. Your grandmother, your mommy, and your daddy and your siblings. This is a grow and wisdom. Jaden Kwabena Minta, Godiva International School. You're 7 years old today. Happy birthday.
Oh, baby, you know we outside. Yeah, we outside. You know we outside.
Okuma Radio 97.1. Okuma Radio.
Champagne for my pain. I stay in my lane. Every day is my birthday.